Kurumjari Singjamei 360 miyang tabi of Singbu taram no okchari ngasi Singjamei 360 gi live asi yamna special oiba dugumba live amani na haijage because Singjamei 360 is now going national. Ihan hanboy na Singjamei 360 na South India gi mafam amada laklaga koigi ka haitare lady ba koigi school haitare koini uchagadori ngasi school ni maram na kari kino har kana Singjamei 360 da maruaina guardian sings na CBSE की यामना अफबा रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल अमा कदाइदा लैगे कदाइदा सजेस्ट तौबा यागे हाइबसे याम तोइन हंगप वाहंग अमा ओइबा क्वेश्चन अमा ओइबा हाइतारे अदुना सिंगजमी 360 ना ngasi अखोइना पुदुना लाक्चरिबसी इंडिया की अदुगुंबा रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल सिंगी मारक्ता वन ऑफ द टॉप हाइतारे ओइरिबा दुगुंबा रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल अमदनी हाइरिबा स्कूल असिगी ममिंगना विश्वशांति CBSE सीनियर सेकेंडरी रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल हाइबने हाइरिबसे Vuyyuru haiba dugumba Vijayawada gi manung chanba dugumba mafam ne haitare Vijayawada da gi kilometer kun ga nipan khatam or Vijayawada gi international airport gi kilometer kun ga humdoi mutang lapaga laiba Vuyyuru haiba mafam asida laiba dugumba VISWASANTHI CBSE senior secondary residential school da ni akhona ngasi lakchari se haiba school sigi magi यामना कहनी टॉप पा मियामना खंगनबा याबा मागी अफबसी करिनो हारगदी इंडिया की लैरिबा रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल सिंगजी मरक्ता टॉप 10 CBSE रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल सिंगजी मरक्ता टॉप 10 चाही तारेक लक थंगना दुगुंबा चनमंगम ग्रबा one of the top senior secondary CBSE residential school ni haidana to ka thamjage VISWASANTHI hairiba school asi Senior Secondary CBSE Residential School ni Vuyyuru Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh South India dane hairibase aduga isu thamjai badune kana gumbana koigi hangbirak pa lei CBSE gi koi residential school kadaida phaba leige khot ke haibana chingba masi hangbirak padugi reply oina response oina Singjamei 360 na ngasi South India ge sungba Andhra Pradesh ki mafam se la aga live ase thajarak pani aduna it's a big news Singjamei 360 is now going national Manipur dagi handok tana adudagi notice cover tawre hozik South India why South India karigino kogi Singjamei 360 na South India da lakchari ja haragadi lyric like su mahai masing tambagi lamdadi South India si adum mayamna khangnaba haitare madu yamna conducive oiba like mahai masing tambada yamna mafam chaba dugumba mafam amo oibani na koine South India sida hairiba school sida koi lakchar bani habadani yemina daribasi karigidamakta hairiba koina hozik leijariba school ase one of the top CBSE residential school oiriba no haibasune koina hangjadoise koina thijadoise koina nainadoise masida kari laibagi no aduga kari karamba toppa atopa school da laitaba na kari no aduga kari maram bi damota haiba school si one of the top CBSE residential school gi manung da challiba no adu su chahi taret straight ta top 10 India gi top 10 da chanba dugumba residential school ni yam nungai jari ba si 80 acres amtang khalli yengsi ko 80 acres park chawna sandoi ba dugumba campus ni masida 20 acres mukti sana ba khotna ba khakta dedicate tawraga leiraba dugumba park chawna sando ulun leiriba khoigi residential school amni koi changchimina yengminna se khoi jo hamna laini manung da leise gate ni koi se leise sidagi changchala kanda manung da leirab do phibam si kai no habse yengminna se aduda ekhoina madu yengmina matamda ekhoi khaktana kahani masida changsilaga khangdana naina daw sopudina koina school gi administration singda Manipur dagi tamgiba Manipur dagi mafam sida tammaga miyan masak khangna ba or kahani akhoi bu guide to buiba ya ba star alumni haitare kana leige na koina hangum khanda yamna surprisingly have tare akhoi da koina maming pibi rei hairi ba koi star alumni of this very school VISWASANTHI Vuyyuru gi Andhra Pradesh lai Vuyyuru gi school asigi star alumni ekoi Singjamei 360 me tabi sing introduce tawjaraga maga loina na hairiba school asi man alumni webni na man hena akupa ke haini detail du khanggadabuni na ekoi maga wari sum sana na koi ke haini hairiba school si wai khangan jage aduga hairiba star alumni se tekana sunate Manipur gi issue kaya haiba tare international level the United Nation yauna haiba tare koi gi Pukhatana Wangangdana Kogi Manipur the Tengariba Kudong Chadaba Sing Simiam da Malim Miam da Kogi Paksana Kanghanba Ngamnanaba Hotna Karba Dugumba alumni Amani Mahag Sisu Kogi activist Amasuni, he is none other than Jodachandra Haikrujam. Jodachandra, good to see you. I go in administration, the school city Kanakana, Manipuri Kanakana, Tamgibo Kibble layer again, Hangoka, and Nangin Palako. The Marxi, daily the layer money, daily the layer, so going to Kudakta. At least for a couple of hours, I was school sing Matana Queen and Nazaning Banina, Amutang Lak with the Yadi and Haraga Nasi, as I Pankui Mario, Padaway Paminaraga. A quick Katana told the Pompara have the Queen Kangba Mapamatabanina had an Aquin alumni Sima, Kauzaraga High, Bakwiki School's game Matanda. Sarapa tour guide in the high promote Tonava in the Laxam. Good to see you, Jodajan and I video.
Thank you, Jahai. Was the water. Surprising,
hello, Nahaki, Sumba, Kahani, Hana Tamama School, that's my name after so long years. Lak was the Cape Hoggies in the army.
It has been around 11 years. So, I'm the principal means a court of Slapaneba. My last to called to a higher council, I did the leader and Lak Nebo. I didn't point to this Lak address in Neba. Can you do Tungan ba ilum na yaw dragadi or hazard guide ta gudog do adu wari watai the boy experience hairo haidi example Singjamei 360 na tan cover to bukanda cheng na taroi da hai tare manung thitna taroi do ba
yeng ko matam
guidance mo ta mane su koi ga do ba aduna madam lakte ya desine ba dike ga kuto ka tharak bulak pine ba aduna ai su yam na nungai jaba ma su oiduni kenodi high school chang da ba chai drama toi sure aduga akhoi school da fang facility mayam sing chu aina experience to ba haida tasina experience to dum viewer da dum khangana ba hona chaki
so viewers sing hai ba campus inside dum 80 acres park chaw ni na khong na chat pata ku yaroi na koi lai ba phai hai ta re gari macha si ma da koi campus tour to ga hai ta so jo to na im nang maning da tonga ge
okay to kai tam tam ai ra ge
adu wari chum tam saraga chatmin na se entrance ni lay changpham na ni lay ri se yam nan ga za ni akoi na hai ba yari se ma se koi gi green school ni hai tar abdi sam na haraga pollution free oi ba city dagi hai do ga yam na akoi gi nungsa yam na clear oi ba padugum ba pollution free oi ba campus amani masini akoi na yam nungai jari ma yeng na se
as akhoi sigi gate se ek lan thok ba khoi di as khunungai khakdri kaino di
gate tai tholak pa do
gate thol kaino da khoi gi kaino se outing nung thok je parents nung yaw daga di ya de ba pi de ba aduna haidi mogi angang sing do yamna checksin na thamme habagi hai tare ko kudam ne ba aduna yam memorable oi ba hai tare ko moment me am lei adum horen dum tam share dog jara ke
yam nungai som do do si playground nga
tani playground ni okay koi na kaino khoi red ground na khoi di khangni
red ground
na
field je ama ani ahum yami ne mari
yami wali
football yare volleyball yare loina
sana bagi di loina suini
okay
adagi ban khoi gi sana khona da su khoi gi state level ko national level da adum participate to mayam lai re khoi gi kano da
chao re koi sanabam ground si khata da mari manga ne lai se aduga koi no ji sangjal lak da uwa phangi se school ki bus mayam lai re
school bus se around 80 plus lai school bus da ya me du gidi
okay
adun school bus na khoi gi day scholar kangu ai tare ko day scholar khaki hostel da lai taba kangu hegi oi dunia
residential da lai taba day scholar singina bus da lakpa
ado han bai sidi khoi kano da khoi classroom da han changase
classroom da alright so han ma khoi classroom han changjal lai yenge amutaka thamjage khoi na live sing ase Andhra Pradesh ki Vuyyuru Vijayawada gi manung channa laiba Krishna district ki manung channa laiba dugumba school ne VISWASANTHI hairiba CBSE gi residential school ni one of the top schools in the country India da so ready no vehicles akoi di allowed to biro
koi di special oina lak pa lak ni na
okay so aha ma koi classroom later building se ground floor later aduga 1 2 3 G+3 ni hai tare
si classroom oi din plus
sin sumna khanyo classroom atane okay very good residential school ni na so koi na tajabada koi na khangjabada punna hojik makse mahairoi lising taruk ka chamanga gi mathak ta tammi badu ba school ni aduda kogi tongan tongan ba India da leiba state sing hai ba tare Andhra Pradesh khatana tan state kunni thoi muktagi hariba mafam sai da mahairoi sing hata state kunni thoi tongan ba state kunni thoi dagi lakpa mahairoi sing na hariba mafam sida residential school sida tammi hai ba sim jo koi da takpi rei so yeng se joda lead me kalai
takpi ba khatana tana azki hai every state hai na hai ba koi na 22 state ki satra loina bak sunna tammi hai tare
hai hai
aduna yam nuksiba school ni
okay so meskini wait
sine leftover oidini ko
leftover so mahiro sing the pizza bagi kano ni hai tar chak ni hai tar thank you I mean chap chare koi la hi sak cha ba tam oi bu ne so dining hall lai re kadom da han cha che ba
ko madam hana unar ke
madam han okay okay good afternoon madam
Yes, sir.
good to see you oh
So nice meeting you, Kishore sir,
good
and
to see
Ajit
you.
sir, and Joda. Thank you
Thank you
for
so much
visiting
for
our
having me.
school and then staying with us for 2 to 3 days. Thank you very much. And as a token of our love
Thank you.
from our
You
side,
can wear
yeah, yes sir.
school ki pi hai tare school ki cap ne
Thank you so much.
Jode here. So ma'am, well, what I can see is it's a huge campus.
Yes sir.
You are
Sir,
saying
just
that
a
it's
minute, sir.
okay. So
Joda, you come.
campus ne hai tare 80 acres. I pui ki meiten on da masi kamai pathok ka de khang dre but English de 80 acres hai it's all over there. Okay.
kamai hai no
Khang de meiten on de kamai on thok ya ke pui pari kya ga hai de I'm so sorry for that. I da de kitang right. So ma'am, I just want to know why is this VISWASANTHI school known for especially?
So actually our chairman is having a vision of promoting the education in rural areas
Okay.
in a big way.
Okay.
That is why our chairman, he started this school in 1975 and then from then onwards that family is working for this cause of spreading the education among the rural areas and
Okay.
rural families.
Okay.
And from then onwards, they are very much committed for this cause and then working for the past 50 years to promote this cause, the big cause, to build the nation strong.
Very nice. So the school is celebrating 50 years of its existence. Right? 50 years of existence. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Oh, habadi school si maruina school si lingkhat ke ba chairman na koi gi mahai masing si koi gi city de gi haidu ga hai tare rural areas sing da lairiba miyam sing gi damang or khudong chaba city gi khudong chaba phangda miyam sing gi damak ta khallaga hai tare madugi wakhallon da madugi pandam da school se 1975 ta lingkhat ki bani hai adu ga di hojik se 2025 oiramina chahi yang khai mapung phare the school is celebrating 50 years of its existence. This was established in 1975. Wow. So how many students and from which part of the country are you catering in this school?
Sir, actually in CBSE there are around 3,541 students from 22 different states.
Wow.
So it is a mini India, sir.
Exactly.
Yeah, and even our alumni is spread all over the globe and they are making their arrangements to get the education for their children over the years.
So you have non-CBSE as well.
We have state board also
Okay.
and intermediate board also.
Right.
All together in the campus there are 6,500 students and then even day scholars also. 633 buses are arranged for the transportation of the children from 80 villages in and around Vuyyuru.
So this is a very Herculeous task to
Yes,
run
sir.
this
Yes, sir.
this school, such a huge school, I think.
Yes, sir.
Sigumba achouba school ama run to wai se.
Yeah.
Khani achouba thaba amane haiduni. So ma'am na haibi gi sette ke sunate. Hairiba school state sida CBSE gi student khaktagi oina 3,000 hana lay habidani 451 adagi lay habidani adugi mathakta state board chu lay intermediate board chu lay aduna total tawsalakanda there are around 6500 students out of which 3500 451 are for CBSE katagi ni haijabidani residential school ni day boarding chu lay so the classes from LKG to
12th class, sir.
12th class.
Yeah, LKG to 12th class.
Okay.
And the CBSE has taken its roots very strongly for the past 3 decades.
Okay.
And actually, the management is residing in the campus to
Great.
look after all the facilities and the activities.
24 hour.
24 hours.
7 days.
Yeah, 24 by 7.
Yes.
They are residing in the campus and then they are one among the staff. We work as a team and then achieving all these things over the past 50 years.
Apart from the academics, what do you focus on, ma'am?
Sir, actually we are focusing on complete education and integrated personality through all-round development of the child.
Okay.
For that, management has made all these arrangements of 20-acre playground and also the other co-scholastic activities in progress.
Okay. And what about preparation after 10 plus 2?
Actually, we are guiding the children with all the career guidance courses to choose the right career in their future. So we are focusing on classrooms to careers to go beyond the borders of the country.
So, school si da ma'am na takpiri si koi gi mahay masing khatana tana angang ama semgot pada changi ba koi scholastic bu oiro magi personality gi development bu oiro madu the focus that we have I be atadi co curricular activities to focus the way not just the books abadi it's very important mayam na maru heta angang ama semgot pada koi lari khatana tana madu gi thoido hendo pa mayam da su madu pa have the playgrounds 20 acres of playground lay hai aduga apart from that when 12 ki matungda makoina medical ki chakke baharasu engineering ki chakke harasu so you start the preparation of the student right from the class 6 7 base.
Yeah, sir, actually we are having a phase foundation classes for engineering side and also medical side, and in addition to that we are preparing the children for CA and civil services also. For that we are striving hard with a separate faculty for those courses to uphold.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
And
this
we are giving coaching for JEE and then NEET also throughout their course of 11th and 12th. And 6th to 10th, there is a foundation class.
Okay. So yam phazaba koi gi wahay man hai tare class 6 tagina class 10 bhawda tammiba mahiroi sing sigi makoi gi future da makoi na koi se uri se NEET ki bu oiro adagi di koi G ki bu oiro madu ki preparation se 6 to 10 ta dum integrated tawraga the students are being prepared. Students are being prepared for the G or NEET right from the class 6 till
6,
10th,
sir.
and then there is a dedicated coach
Yeah.
for the 11th and 12th. 6 to 10 tadi makoi gi curriculum da dum integrated tawre have na du 10 and 10 ki matung hai tar 11 and 12 ki di special coaching ma madu gi da makta P hai this is very good news. I be ata de koi Manipur da di Z tauge na daga de NEET thage na tongana coaching ma chatli ba se ma se hari ba residential school sida di class 6 te na class 10 phau da madu integrated tawraga adumak adum takpi re have na duga 11 12 yauraga na dedicated oina tongana madu gi coaching lai have ni sida lai 11 NEET ki coaching center ni have the school sida dumagi लाइक तमबुज दुम याहुन लमने हाय
अदुगी दाइम द एड तक जगे अखोइना इवन अखोइगी एग्जांपल मरुइना मेडिकल दा अखोइगी इंजीनियरिंग एग्जांपल अखोइ मणिपुर की पेरेंट्स सिंगना सुगुम एरिया से याम फोकस तवेबा अदुना क्लास अप द प्लस 2 और प्लस 2 हैव 12 लोरेगा और 11 खगा हरपा साइज दगी और 12 लोरेगा ममा आपा ओबे सिंगना अखोइगी अंगांग सिंग से अखोइगी medical line de changhan na bagi adagi engineering line changhan NEET preparation adagi G preparation taw bagi amu additional oina coaching tawga chalaga paisa yam ting hai tar ko adubu akhoi gi school gi kamai tawge dang sai mamang du su panbi khre class 6 to 10 sen foundation NEET ki adagi IIT G gi preparation gi ID foundation course taw ne advanced ni ko normal gi khoi gi CBSE ki boiro state board ki boiro even khoi Manipur da ha ga su ko sidagi advanced level da koi 6 tai tan 10 box foundation oina tamane ba sahi amani advance horaga adu 11 12 da di full high da full preparation to ba yana bagi mong da akogi school gi campus da dum leisai ba that means aina haijaning badi akogi school sida class 11 12 puk sida tamgraba satra 12 loy matung da angang sing se amuk paisa tingaga NEET amadi G gi coaching da su yani full guarantee hai da ko kaino da koi sida leise oja around 300 plus teachers lay aduna class e nung ayuk pung taruk tari hoga horan puni pa mapan ni ba tog duise marak ta hoi gap khra budi lay ko adugi matik koi academics am strictly ho halaga habidi strictly ha ka da pha pulaga nataba haidi SC gi era si di focus to godob ni haiba posit thamme haraga adugi matik kupna senabi daga khoi gi angang sing je kadai soi gi dai khuk kadai haiba do tobi haiba gi opportunity
okay aduga apart from the medical and engineering ma'am what about defense
Actually, we are giving coaching for NDA also, sir.
Okay. So you have the
National Defense Academy.
NCC attached here.
And NCC attached of 3 wings.
Okay.
Army, Navy, and then Air. We have 7 troops here.
Okay.
Right, covering 780 cadets.
Okay.
In Army, Navy, and then Air Wing. Girls and boys together.
Both. So, koi engineering adagi di doctor or medical katanatana defense ta Army or Navy or Air Force changning sumadugi A and B certification is provided here, I think.
Yes.
So I mean all preparation hai tare all koi mas all in one hai tare to loina shuna later class 6 to 10 pona koi foundation P in hare 11 12 tana magi dedicated koi G and NEET ki koi coaching later aduna tab su koi defense changning as defense ki su NCC ki dum karo ta later hai
akogi tong NCC gi unit hangjar lai hazana systematic oina haidi atoba school da di NCC yawe ha bani
atom da chala
tawe ba koi gi namung isa gi koi campus ong da dum lai jai ba adu horen kano da cover da
matam hoga di koi dum cover tawse what about the timing ma'am about the students when does the school start
The morning at 7 o'clock the school starts until 9:30 because it is a residential school, mostly a residential school. For day scholars it is from 9 o'clock to 4:40, sir.
Okay. For residential till 9:30 in the evening.
We have 3 parts in these 3 sessions. One is the regular syllabus of CBSE or State Board, and then coaching for competitive examinations and study hours.
Okay.
Under the supervision of the same lecturers, those who are teaching in the class.
Oh my gosh.
So that is the best part and the special feature of our school.
Very nice.
One more thing to add to
Please.
what Principal Ma'am has said. Actually, our day begins with actually yoga.
Oh, in the morning.
In the morning. Actually.
Okay.
Our day begins with yoga and other activities and some games in the morning. So those who go for running and everything, they can have athletics. So we encourage different people to do different activities. So after that, a light breakfast, then they jump into classes 8 o'clock. But actually, we have got so many students like Manipuris over the years. So what we are planning is we are planning for different time schedules.
Okay.
So we are not going to mix with the students with other regular students. So what our management has been thinking is we are going to form separate sections for especially for Manipuris.
Okay.
So we are going to exclusive classrooms, exclusive schedule for them. So there will be studies, a cozy timetable for them, a luxurious ground you have already witnessed. So sports and academics, it's a combination of all. So they have absolute freedom to enjoy their studies, academics and sports and other activities. I've seen quite strong football players regarding especially football. Manipuris.
Exactly.
Very worthy players are there, strong players are there,
yeah.
vibrant players are there,
Exactly.
and I have seen quite a few students who are really who have done well in English also.
Yeah.
Like Priyanka Ekois. I have many students right from 2012 up to 2025. All these years we have right now also in our classrooms some Manipuris are there. You can talk to them.
We're going to meet them, yes, sir, for sure.
Actually, we have got all professional teachers. For JEE, NEET, every teacher has minimum 25 years of experience.
Wow.
Solid experience. There are some teachers who have got more than 30, 35 also.
Oh,
So
gosh.
that's it. Anyway, if you want any specific questions, Principal Ma'am will talk to you.
And our proud alumni Jodha is here as a witness of all these
Yes.
achievements and results.
This is not
And-
not a false claim. So
Yeah,
we have
it's
the
not
proof.
a false claim, and we have the live witness here, Jodha from Manipur.
So roughly, ma'am, since when and how many students from Manipur might have you,
So
nurtured
200
here?
to 250 students.
From Manipur?
Yeah, from Manipur, exclusively from Manipur,
Okay.
and there are alumni, and we are very much proud of it.
Manipur dagi mahiroi chani yang khai gi around hai tare including Jodha from is the tamgre. Auzi su Manipur student lay and hai. We're going to meet them. We're going to talk them. We're going to talk about the best part of the schools, to the Manipuri students in a while.
Class a bit sira.
Yes.
We can have,
Okay.
have a look at the classroom and
Actually, only for the NEET 11.
yes.
Okay.
So mi yeng se changsil laga. Sure. Hello everyone.
Exclusive guys from Manipur, and we want to have a look at our classrooms. So they're going to say something about it. You can also interact if you want.
Exactly.
You can also interact with the students.
So you guys are here for NEET preparation. Okay, so you want to be a doctor in your life. All the very best.
So you can interact with this girl.
Okay.
I think she'll give you some
All
an
right.
impression of her.
What do you feel about the facilities, about the features provided here?
Very facilities are very nice, sir. For this kind of villages and for the nearest villages, it would be the best kind of facilities that are there. Education is very nice.
Tell us something more about your faculties.
Our faculties are actually they're very interactive, very friendly. They make sure that we understand each and every lesson, every word, so that we don't feel difficult. So every kind of lesson, we kind of
So you're pretty sure that you can become doctor through the guidance of the teachers of this school.
Yes, of course, but with extra effort from us also.
Exactly.
Yes, of course.
All the very best. All the very
Yes.
best. Okay. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So how is the preparation going on? Very good. When are you expecting to give the exam? 27. So you are preparing from now. Wow. Good. Well in
Now
advance.
this is first year, and one more year is there. So in the meantime, we go through the syllabus in a way, ironing them, scanning the syllabus from many perspectives. Many teachers, many things are there now. So at least two times syllabus will be done. Weekend exams will be there, monthly test will be there, and there will be a pakka analysis will be there after that. There will be a separate meeting with the teachers also analyzing the syllabus, the way the students are doing well, where the students are going wrong. So any pitfalls, so we rectify all these things. Then finally they will be on track. So they are going to take their exam in 2027 March, am I right? May. But well in advance, the preparation has already started. The preparation has started like this.
Very nice. Well in advance.
Any specific questions you want? Definitely answer a few things.
That's it. That's it. Thank you.
So
Thank you
very
so
clinical approach, very clinical approach with clear-cut method, and the target is in our mind. So even students are also, they have complete lucidity regarding what they are doing and where they want to land. Is it going to be hard landing or a soft landing? We will see that.
Okay.
So that is their pakka.
So school sidagi su koina kaini all India gi NEET G da toppers in puthopang amgra when koi ngatang lera pathok chara ke hausi ki India students is the by item will proceed to another class. Thank you so very much for your time, sir. Thank you everyone, and all the best. All the best.
Kishore, stand there just once, I'll take a picture.
Okay, we'll get a picture. Excluding our admin. Jodha, come on. So
nice to have you here.
thank you so
Go
much.
around and make it a beautiful video. And come out with all the brass tacks of VISWASANTHI.
And also from our side, we will make sure that we have at least 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 students from Manipur.
No, actually we are expecting
100.
three sections sections exclusive in Manipuri.
Oh, okay, we'll try to get it then. Thank you so much.
Go to the last.
Okay. So, adum how's your hybrid? Habidi kogi tongana magi coaching ma chatragasu dum high residential school sida madugi damta preparation tawba dum yaw hadam 2027 the piga the prepare exam dugi preparation ma hojik tagi howna to hori hai tare. So this is the best part because every parents want their child to become a doctor or engineer in the future. So that is the main focus.
Let's go.
We'll proceed and I don't know. Tongana madugi namto coaching tawdraga su yare habiduni residential school sida thamaga madugi preparation right from the scratch from the class 6 tagi foundation up till 10 pira kana 10 dagi 10 ga 11 say 10 gi matung 11 and 12 tana fazana magi NEET amadi G gumagi entrance test ki preparation ko no jang 2027 da exam pi ga ba mahiro sing dugi preparation ni hoji moi tawre it's very unique oi bane hai aduna bu top schools in the residential school in the country in a way high is high tare. So among change koi my racing is so happy to interaction to get.
Please go, madam.
Leave it. Leave it.
Oh. Good afternoon, everyone. Which class is this, by the way? 12th. Oh, good. Sit down.
12th PCM, sir.
PCM.
Physics, chemistry, and maths.
So these are engineers then.
These are, future engineers.
Future engineers. How are you guys doing? Great. What about your studies? Good. You're preparing for JE. First phase. When are you going to give? Oh, so it's very near then. So your preparation must be very hard now?
Hot and hard also, sir.
Anyway, so I think we have a student from Manipur.
Manipur.
Masa kitang tungalan buto dahil hangjab niya doy king atang wari sana zage. All right. So, Mike Bio. Hey Ming ko ba? Silorica. Silorica from Manipur kada ba digi?
Yari po yan bim.
Yari po yam bim dagi. Yam thaja dan si lairam mi sine dum khoi gi mi se dum mafom guding loi yo we hai dun sa. Kamai to school sin nungai.
School je nung bri nungai ado. Ai mo study kano tawba je.
Takai brava. Ado phari natro. Yes, ako taza bada larik pating da angang phauda sidam thajalak matam na pahan bangam me pai hai dun music silor kan sa hai sini larik pa bai matam se tak gri tak masim je kata why hai dun why have se mana why logzo ware ma pa ne madu pai na hai dun ni abdi cha je 24 hours using manung da maximum study to hon ba ya ba hai se mama pa na dum as madu pai dum hai dro loina budi khar wa ja ba ado si wari ji ge heng tung da mai di Charakan ito na ko. So nung ipangmoy dra. Pangganim ko. Chahi kaya suri mapon sila yung class kaya
11
dagi. Okay. 11 gi mama Manipur ka tamam ba?
Manipur kay nahal.
Kay nahal da. Langmay dong da. Langmay dong dagi 10 plus sila aga 11 12 sila tam gina lain. So nang su ako engineering gi exam se piningin eh. Mama point na su oyo hai ro nang na khanjari ro kamay to.
Ay na ju khanba du mama ay na ju may support.
Panza ba do. Ato sila piwa magi kano sila nang nabutay karo larik kini ko ate kikinta timan why have larik pa bai matam si am na sang ba aduga matam yam kano to bu why hai na haja wani pung kaya na kaya mai to yin ta haro
pung ayok ki pung taruk makai day na class lak ni ba sida
okay
aduga pung taruk makai da halan na oi pung pi day mo na
okay
aduga pung taruk makai da mo class wala halan ni pung tare makai bo break period ni aduga pung nipa nang na bang sida study or lak ni ba
nung dagi
aduga pung mapan makai da loiraga tum mani do
lak to ni hai se tum campus manung ni ko wa mapa arap di lak to ni te classroom da lak ni hai wa adai di kano di sida pi di magi entrance ki ko coaching hai ga tra mong sidi kamai to pen bro kamai to
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯦꯜꯂꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ
ꯑꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯟꯙ꯭ꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯇꯦꯂꯨꯒꯨꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯦꯂꯨꯒꯨꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯣ
ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ
English tae. This is the best news. And a lot of people must be thinking that since the school is in Andhra Pradesh, the medium of teaching must be in Telugu. But it's not this case here. All the teachers teach their student in English. So this is an English medium school. Don't know English tae na tra. Aduni kwadi phadusi na tadi mama pa hin pakhatui ba. Telugu ta magadi kamai khangdoi na. Telugu da takte. All right, students are taught in English. This is an English medium school, so never mind about that. Thank you.
Why have
Hi.
you? I can eat okay.
Hi.
Kogi angang lai shwa paning da base. Sigi school ge yamna top top ma angang lai shwa taming da base. Like why have a word suko. Classroom sida angang mi kunam kun tham phame lo se ba. Ma lai shwa paning da ba mi ni lo se ba. Ma ji numti gi tawom je kai no khanga roi ba sum paning da base. Loi pa ba ni tawning ga lai dum lai si pa ge du wari ne.
Mane.
Aduna lai si paning na bay pora madum pi bado masa mathanda as kai daru duno like pa da ya ra pora magi buy from a pi hai tare aduna nga sai gi angang like so ai tabase sibuk tadum frankly guarantee the high right adum obviously dum pass to we hai tare ko si school da
Lari pating da bangang se. Maga lai mine sing sin mai routine amagi makha da lari para abuni na ma do kayam koina madu tau da na lai doi no habi wakan do adu lai have aduna definitely he follows his friends. Aduni Laisha. Very good. Thank you, Silurika. All the best. What about others? Anyone who wants to talk to me? What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. See, Maharashtra. As we said, students from different part of the country, to be very precise, from 22 different states, learn here. So she's from Maharashtra. What's your name?
My name is Angel Roshan Bagir.
Can you tell me why have you chosen this school?
For education, there are many schools in all over India, but I was mainly prescribed for my security as a female being.
Very good point. Security, safety is prime concern for all the parents as well. Especially for the girls.
Yeah, especially for girls, there are many of the security measures followed over.
I didn't notice this. There are no boys in this class. No. Okay, so kamay to ito ay matang di jodam tanga co-curricular okay kay hada co-education ni high dori bra kamay to busum sai.
Akhoi ki school se up to class 10 se chi co-education oi deba nupa nupi separate ne ba.
Okay.
Ado akhoi gi ba matam du da or ai gi ba understanding da hai tare. Akhoi gi mama boy ba sing je class 10 up to 12 ro and after plus 2 graduation lak ba kanda mama boy ba sing da angang macha ma su sing je nungsin ngo na ta haning de ba.
Mane.
Nungsin ta ba se like co-education de dum loina ba socialization pa no pil interact ba miron na ba su dum da ka di boy hai di tarugum sung up to plus 2 book se si mama boy ba sing na khoi gi nungsin ngo da taw haning de ha ba ko lon se loi lai ba ban especially khoi Manipur da sungai ari class I 10 ga ga de nungsin ngo tham ba ko pa dum ui de na khoi Manipur dum aduna sidai is da kamai to ge ha da up to class 10 book se separate classroom way nupa ga
Piga.
Okay aduga mu kamai da plus class 11 12 ka ko kan kamai da magi stream dagi matung ina hai tare stream dagi matung na tangai phaduna khoi gi amana biology lok pa amana physics lok pa kan da adi anga amani kan ta hobo yawina adum kan da pulli even ayambadi kano ga tani separate classroom natin for nupi gan pa sa tumada dum taw.
Okay. Today we talk siko. Thank you everyone. Thank you, sir. All right, all the very best for your
and
exam.
By the way, I'm also an alumni, okay? I study here from 2000
you studied here from
2012 and 12 to 14. I study here. I'm an alumni, okay? That's why I'm explaining in our language.
respect your senior.
Bye everyone.
Thank you.
I'll take a photo.
Oh, a photo.
Please sit down. Come
Come
together,
on.
we'll take a group photo like.
Yeah.
No, say you be in the middle there.
All right.
Some of you say you also. All of you come closer.
Very nice.
Come.
Lao nang siguro lao.
Some of you climb at the back. Yes.
Oh, si class nang nathande yaw ba?
Climb at the back.
Okay.
So your faces can be seen. Okay, first one you can sit here. Kneel down. Keep focused to Shanti, right?
Yeah.
So this is a family which brought us together.
Viswasanthi.
Yeah.
East or west?
VISWASANThi is the best.
East or west?
VISWASANThi is the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
You have to call
Nice
me
to see
brother,
you.
not sir.
Nice to see you.
I'm your brother's like that. Anna. And now we'll be heading to lab.
Okay, so topic is ni Jordan is thambi do ni hai base koi na mase co-education makni hai hai basu yadre hai tare ni ko hai badi koi gi hoi mafam asimakta da magi nupa nupi gi dormitory tongan na laser su hostel laser su classes su punde hai du ne ba
Mane.
classes su nupa gi tongan na nupi gi tongan na very unique oi ba mase kanon idea man ni aerial view oh
Okay.
so koi na u is full campus ni abang Jordan ha petang explain to bio
Asibdi kogi basketball court le na ko. Asino bus nung kham na kogi anthai na haiza giba
Parking lot tare.
Parking khattana tana kogi
red ground le
red ground le re sida kogi outdoor game ayam loi le re even basketball court le re. Sisna hana gi khoi na ari bada khoi hana le ma classroom kai kane. Some extra class kuma kai ma hazi khar gam tawi ko. Adi apart from the koi angang sum suon ma ko pa yaw bolai tana. Adum musu extra class ki dum asida su dum tawe. Kano di nasagi normally labor classrooms that fully koi magi self study boiro adagi classes boiro up to 9:30 book tawbani na class hang da ba dum kanda juti self study gumba office macha gumba dum oiba maina oi hazikse. Adu akoi se lab da se lab chachira.
Yeah, nang kadom na guide to. Hojiki yari pog yam bim dagi leho baga na takpi rei do. Atai gidi loi na yare lairik pa bai matam se ketang sang bagi wai hai se ma se hoi makhoi da di madu awa ba na haijara ga su mama pa na di pam doi madu ma ni hai tare. Atai da scheme residential schools gi phajawai se asin. Mazi koi gi matam ayam bada lairik sida dum focus to halaga thamba asi gi magi top residential school gi magi kanone hai tare features ni mai characteristic ni hai tare adu makna suni mama pa oiba singna icha se sum yum dagi thidok thinjin to bu adu to wa do sor pudi residential school da hoji am kanna chanara ise duga Manipur su laite have na te Manipur da laiba school phatte have makti na te adu mapu kana gumba angamba mama pa singna mapanda thado ga hena kai haini like ta focus ta honing ba adu gumba aduga ngadling ade hona exposure phanghan bagi adugba pamba leiraga di haibagi damakta ekoina sugumba koigi Viswasanthi gumba schools da koina recommend tawjabani haibaduni aduga madugi recommend tawribadugi maram singdune koina naina jarami se hari bese koi ayu pung 3 makhai dagi laaga oren pung 3 makhai da angkal halurga 3 makhai dagi mu laaga 3 makhai da 9 makhai bong lahi palari pa halle hai se dondi aina sum yengjabada around 14 hours kumadi moi study like ta focus tau le hai ta taruk ta gina tarum makhai bho ad tung train thoi le rai tarum khai ne tarum khai bho train thoi le aduga adi matu da tare makhai da na 9 makhai bho ba amuk keno le ha na study tau le ha na pung 13 gumbadi moi like that focus tau adumak ta suni and then the best part is this is a pollution free why do you call this is a pollution free
Because it is an 80-acre campus with 80-acre eco-friendly green campus. So here we'll get the fresh oxygen because it is located in the midst of green fields.
Nice.
Yeah, that is the reason, sir.
Nice. And why do you think it's necessary to be pollution free in the academic area?
Because our chairman believes in right perfect health for the students.
Exactly.
So and security of the students.
Very nice.
So that is why he made all these arrangements. Because nowadays, if we observe the schools, they are located in apartments.
Yeah.
But our chairman is very particular, right, to give facility to the children by all means, all amenities.
Very nice. Yeah, we sense that it's very cool. As soon as we enter the gate, we could feel the
the
breeze.
green and then cool vibes will be there.
Yes, exactly. Habadi eco-friendly oiba duguma mafam amani hai tare pollution free green oiba habadi green school habadi di kaino hara ka do asang mana masing hai tare city degi khara ทับตัวกับซิตี้กี่ตุ้งบ่นินคงบ่ดุกี่ลับทั่วกันนะมันมหาดุได้ลับทั่วกันแต่อิงเนี่ยจิกบ่ดุบ่มาพัมสังบ่กี่สังบ่งัดตัวนี้ให้แต่คนจะอู้พังอย่างนี้ให้พอดียำชาก็ต้องมาตำเนี่ยให้แต่เซาท์อินเดียนี่นะดูกี่กันดูเลยเตี้ยคนใส่เกตจะจังปนสู้อิงมันหนุกชินะไม่แต่ทาร์กเลยที่นุ่งไงกี่ไอ้เผากี่ให้แต่สมัยตรงนี้ทัศน์ดูเดียให้ดูกี่ให้แต่ดูกี่กันดูพัง environment กี่ดูกี่นุ่งไงไปดูพังอย่างนั้นeco-friendly แบบ pollution free แบบ 80 acres ฟาร์มเจ้าครับเป็นสิ่งมาดู green อ่ะตอนนี้คนอุ้งพังกี่สิ except อดูมาจะให้บีดcity เดินเลยไป school สิ่งเดีย apartment สิ่งเดีย show คนบำเลยตอนนี้เลยดู city เดินดูแต่ยังเช็คว่ากี่เลยที่ facilities chemistry lab ตั้งจังกับแม่ยามสิ่งนั้นตัวอยู่สิคุยให้เป็น interaction ตัวมักนัดตระกันสู้
อันนี้ cover มันตัวที่อันนั้น
yes
มันนี่ผมใจ
ใช่เอาเลยโอเคมาเลยมันสักเซโอเคไลฟ์พันธุ์มารีเลยให้ขณะนั้นเราจะเช็คสโลกส์เนี่ยใช่แล้วสิ่งที่ต้องไปเลยคุณหล่อยังนุ่งไง so we have four students ให้ดีบ้า lab สุดา again คุยใจจะเป็นตัวนี้นุปีนุปาปุ่นน่ะไล่ตามินาวิกันดูนัดเตะดูสินั่นนุปางอ่ะแต่กินี่อันนั้นคุยหลุดกันนุปีกิสมุยแต่นั้นนุหลักเสด้วยนี่นะมาทำใครดูนะไปวันเนี่ยใครได้เนาะแม่ได้เอาไม่ต่อโอเคใครได้น้องตั้งให้บีอ๋อ
ไอ้เนี่ยให้นั่งถุง
ให้นั่งถุงวิธีกี่ใครมิงกูบ้า
ไอ้เนี่ยสลามประชันไม่ได้ประชันกู
ใครตั้มมินก็ใครตั้มมินก็แค่
สุดก็คลาสเดียวตั้มใจ PCM da
PCM da PCM ว่าแต่ดีดูก็ดี engineer จัดกี่ให้กับ
โอ้จัดกันนี่
จัดกันเนี่ย
จัดกันนี่
อะดูกี่ preparation ดีก็ไม่ตัว
preparation ชอบกันตัวJanuary phase 1ท่าด้วยนี่อะดูกี่กันpreparation กันตัวจะรี
school จะต้องปีเนี่ย
school ต้องปีดูboard ที่จะยองดูไอ้ที่ combination กันตัวก็จะสกัดตัวก็จะใช้ดู
มากี่ class 12กี่ว่า lyrics จะต้องตักปะอะดูกี่สมัติตาให้เรื่องมันท่าก็ดูรีบ engineering กี่คุยกิน exam บิสกี้ดำก็สู้ดู first phase กี่ preparation ตัววิจัดทรีให้ดูนี่สิคุยสายจะ it's a very unique kind of facilities that we get here มาทั้งนั้นหลังดีหรอใครมีก็วิ่งใครลำได้เนาะ
ไอ้มิงน่ะอาร์เคเทียมซึ่งไก่ช้ำทงได้ยี่
ช้ำทงก็ได้ไหมตะกี้
ไอ้ลำมันตะไก่ได้ยี่
ยังนั่งได้เลยไอ้สุกไก่ช้ำทงตะกี้เนี่ยไอ้เนี่ยไก่ช้ำทงมวยรังดูเลยตะกี้ไก่ช้ำทงไอ้ลำมันได้ใครทำมีปัญหา
ไอ้ชุด PCM เนี่ย
12ต่อ
12ต่อ
ไปข้างที่ first phase ถ่ายด้วยเรามาสิ compulsory ไว้เพราะนั่นก็น่าปั๊มจะมาขั้นเลยละก็ไม่ตัว
ปั๊มจะว่าดุมขัดเลย
โอเคท่านี้ก็ดีท่าไปใหญ่เหมือนเดิมอะไรกันเนี่ยใส่กี่ engineering กี่บัวรอ medical กี่บัวรอมวยกี่ preparation ตัวบุษย์มุสตาไอ้ยาวจนนิ่งที่หาร์ก็สู้ใกล้เดบราบ
ใกล้เดบ
ยาวแต่ยังดีให้มัน later โอเคมาทั้งลันบิโร่
ไม่มี Justin ก็ได้เงินไม่ใกล้เลย
ไล่มันเลยไกลไล่มันเลยไกลสิใครดูให้กันวะไล่มันเลยไกลไล่มันเลยไกลเลย anyway good so นั่งดีใครทำมิสตา
ไอ้จู่จับมาเนี่ยมัน PCM เลย
stream จับมาเนี่ย PCM เลยทั้งจู่ preparation ตัวนี้ว่า first phase January ได้ถ่ายด้วยใช่ good เอาตัวตัวจะหังเอาด้วยก็ไม่ตัว school จีนั่งกี่แค่นี้ experience ให้กันร้านนั่งมันจะพังจะบ้านั่งกี่ก็ดีขังใจมาพัมจีกินนุ่งไงแต่ว่าใครต้องกระต่ายตรงนี้สิ่งว่า feedback ตัวทำไมสิ่งไหนแต่เลยไป viewers สิ่งกี่สิ่งที่ไม่ใช่60กี่ viewers สิ่งกี่ตัว
สิ่งไปดีไอ้ plus one ต้องไปเนี่ยคลาสเลยนะแล้วschool จะต้องไปหาแล้วนุ่งไงตัวไอ้ที่มายามมีให้ language barrier ให้มาปานต้องทำไป language barrier ให้ต้องเลยก็ตัวดูก็ชามเลยที่มายามด้วยวันนี้เลยใช้เทลูกุมาซะฮินดีว่า all over India ได้ student เลยวันนี้เลยใช้ไม่เนี่ยตัวไอ้ที่ language barrier แกมเลยตัวก็ช่วยตัวนะตัว discrimination ให้มาปานต้องทำไปกี่ซุ่ม discrimination ให้ต้องเลยก็ตัวจู่ discrimination แกชิวโตเด็กชิวเทคนิคตัวเองต้องไปที่
น้องจะจำได้ยังไง
แกมเลยตัวแกมเลยตัว
zero เนี่ย
ว่า zero ให้ไปอะไร
thank you มาหนุ่มพิวยิงใช่ไอ้มิงก็ไม่เคยลำดี
ไอ้มิงน่ะยังคงบอกใครจำนักปั้นป้อนอะไรกันเลย
น่าจะ
ไอ้จู่12กันจะเรียนดู PCM มันเรา
ดู1 plus มันได้ทำไมล่ะ
ไอ้จู่ plus 1ได้ทำ
ส่วนน้อยมาดีดูปุ่นปุ่นเลยอ่ะไลฟ์พัฒนา dormitory ที่ปุ่น bro ปุ่นเลยโอเคว่าเป็นเลยทีนี้ಅದು ಥಂಬಿಗೆ ದುನಿ ಲೋನ್ ಗಿ ಮಪಾನ್ ಲಂದ ತಮಗದಿ ಲೋನ್ ಗಿ ಒಯ್ಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೆ ಲೈಗತ್ರ ಥೆಂಗತ್ರ ಸೆ ಯಾಮ್ ಚಿಂಗ್ನೆ ಬನಿ ಹಾಯ್ಬದ ಹಾಯ್ಬ ತಾರೆ ಮಾ ಪಾಯ್ ಬಿಸಿನ ಅದು ತಾಪಿ ಇಸ್ಮೈನ ಅಮದುಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಲೈತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಲೈತೆ ರೆಡಿ ನುಂಗಿ ತೋಬ ಲೈತೆ ಹಾಬಿ ನಾಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅದಿ ಕರಿ ಹಾಯ್ ನಿಂಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಜಿ ತಾ
ಅದum ಕೈಸು ತೋ ನತೆ ಹಾಯ್ದಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಜೆ ದುಮ್ ಯಾಮ್ನ ದುಮ್ ನುವಾಯ್ ತಬಜು ನತೆ ಹಾಯ್ದಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಾರೆ ಫಜನ ದುಮ್ ತಾಯ್ ದುಮ್ ನೋಮಗಿ ದುಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ತಾಪ ಮತಮ್ ಫಜನ ದುಮ್ ಪಿಬಿರೆ ದು ಮಯಾಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಓಜಾಜು ದುಮ್ ಫಜನ
lecturer ꯒꯩꯁꯨ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯋꯥꯗꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ study hours ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯟ ꯄꯨꯡ 3-4ꯗ study hours ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ doubts ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯗꯣ clear ꯇꯧꯅꯕ senior lecturer junior lecturer ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ advice ꯀꯥ ꯄꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯦꯕ
ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯒꯦ residential school da leiba haisi kai ni koi gi mapangan thopa ipanya yadidana ko nangi yam akakna kano natragadi masiri madugi nungai taba yum da chaning bagi yum da haning bagi yum gi mi ga kai ni wari san ne du me lak tak na ba la ko matam da kamai tawraga na madu ku no wale
suana adugi matam da la kan da yu id sigi school da yi mapan pan kya thok pa ya de ba khoi je id ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯐꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗꯗꯤ
ꯐꯔꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥꯗ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯥ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯠꯂꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯟꯗꯦꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯦꯕ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯦ
ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ
ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯊꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯥꯎꯇꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯔꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯏꯇꯣꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕ ꯄꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯣ ꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯅ
ꯄꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯒꯤ
private teacher
physical
trainer do adugi
trainer ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ
okay ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯦ yes very important thing hostel da leiba haise matu chaba thapagi problem se adum hainai hai tare sidadi nang kamai tawe lawi chaba thap
even south so oibanina
south india gi chingda che kamai taw
ꯁꯝꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯗꯥꯏꯚꯔꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ
okay type makal amakatagi dum pi leiba natte hai tare nang na hainai se natra diverse oina dum
pure south na tawa adu ta mi myam chaminaba yadaba
punna chaminaba yaba
adu taw aduna semi se samba injang je
adagi mathakta amukang highway koi study hours e sangman na yamna kano tawe why hai chokthai hai nangi di kai hai nei
adum di chokthai di sang si de
adu nangi dam di madu phai na khan bra patte na khan bra
Thamari kita ngai ni si thamari kita ngai re
warna
si kita ngai re ni na
they will decide your career
mane hauji wa ho ba hai basina ayeng nungai doi ni hai tare hauji ai wai na madu khut thang kalaga ina lang phang tau le ga di hayeng tung kap kani dana ko adana warna wa ba hai je koina sum kai hai ni pothaning bagi wa ma man wa ne sum toksala ga di madu hainaram doi ko ni da na ki di kai hai ni study hours je sang hai sina gi di kai
ꯁꯥꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯃꯟ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯔꯦ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯟꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯋꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠꯔꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯏꯑꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯅꯣꯔꯠꯔꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯕꯤꯍꯥꯔ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯏꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯥꯎꯠ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯦꯂꯪꯒꯥꯅꯥ ꯍꯣꯏ
okay he's from West Bengal okay
that's what I'm saying ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯟꯙ꯭ꯔ ꯔꯣꯝ ꯇꯦꯂꯪꯒꯥꯅꯥ ꯔꯣꯝ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯍꯩꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯋꯥꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯗꯥꯞ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯕꯩꯗꯤ
Thank you. All the best for your first phase exam. I tare ko.
We give hands-on experience to each and every child by making them practice here in the lab. Not only chemistry, physics, and biology too. They'll have hands-on experience and then they face their board examination very confidently with the help of the chemistry teacher like Hari Babu, and then physics teacher like R. Srinivas Rao, and biology teacher Srinivas Garu.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your time. Mathang mukai chatsige.
akhoi se sidam physics lab lai re physics lab smile lai re
Khoidopa akhoi gi angang sing degi negative ki oiba dumba comment lakte hai tare makoi na haibu matam kitang sangi study hours se have sedi ngang yor modi yor me yor draga interact tawgum se sina physics lab ne Koi sa yaw da ba ma. Yaw di kok to get yaw da ma. Alright, so carry on with your practice. What is this by the way? What does P and N stand?
P?
Yeah, what does this P N stand? No idea. Okay, what does this do? What is this for?
What you have to do from the next one?
Calculating current flow.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Explain what is what in that. So what is this?
In these
and
two
what is that?
types of diodes, one is reverse diode and two junctions, forward diode and reverse diode. We can do some experiments regarding reverse diode and forward.
The current flow.
Yes.
Okay.
To measure the current flow, right?
Alright.
Make it louder.
We can measure the current flow.
Okay.
Nice. Okay. Adum khan naman na yado male. All the best, students.
And then studying is no botany level later ko yi ko.
Botany ne?
Botany lab. Okay, ngasay din niya. Okay. Adum sabi dum cover to. Sina botany lab la. Botany lab ne ko. Okay.
Mga di sana re. Sa matak ta sana re. Ngak sa sina du de. Wariya. Ya bro. Lab ni noy mari madum lab se. Ai wa hang ke. Nupa sing di sana re. Okay, akoy se matam se kitang budi keno taw re. Lâu re ha ta du nungai bani na kana bu bani lâu so lâu na koi dum matam se kitang sang thaje re ge hai ta re si life sima. So, nang idi hang re. Okay, mong na piro du de mai se. Sin na sai koi na matak ta kita NEET kita. J kita, sorry. Tenggaran ba du ni hai ta re. So, ming kai kau ba nang ina kai lam dagi.
Ai mình giờ Lakshmi ka we du na wang goi wa hem mai kai din.
Wanggoi digi. Sida plus 1 dai tamai ro kaya dai tamai na.
Ai je class 11 dagi sida da ma pa.
Kamai tawi school se nangi wakhan da. Hayo hai ta di kai hai.
Adum nunga adu oja ga jo khoi dum hai di adum section adum sena bi hai ta.
Oja sing na section na sena bi ba. Very good, very good. Aduni mama pa na se penja bra ba sida tammi hai ba da moi da wakhan da kisu awa ba leite.
Au like de hai di akoi adum secure oi ba dum phawe moi na so hai di. Adum moi na jo dum pangkha tha do po da bo adum section adum thambi ba.
Okay, matam mo no pio kai min kau ba kai lam dagi.
Ronika ka we meng khan dagi.
Meng phal dagi moi no zik secure oi hai je kari no ba no da khoi gi maru na nupi sing da hai ta nupi mai ru sing da pi ri ba magi safety hai ga da security je kamai to masi matang.
Akoi do ithanda ka shu thadok te kai no ma dom dagi na school phau lak pa je warden ga loina ra chat le adagi ground tho jo warden ga yaw de chat han de adagi kano mata office chat ko itaraga jo permission yaw da chat pa ka shuya de haidi oza amaga loina ra dum chat hal le kai gumba canteen da chat ningi hai taraga jo oza amaga oina plug chat mine akoi tan da sta thadok te.
Very nice. Mau nung lak ke kai min kau
I mean, Krishna ko we sakol do makali kai din.
Okay, na su sida plus 1 dai tamang pa.
Aw, mana.
Okay, adugi mamang na di kai tamang.
Adi mamang so dum baizak ka le baizak ki bizan bihar si just school ko we adu school na. Bujulo ba da le.
Adu da 11 12 le hoda bra.
Le ho da na 10 phok tang le ba.
So sigi school se kana recommend to no kamai to no sida tam ge na khalai no decisions.
Ai je ha dum sida dum tamam bani na sida dum makha da thage dum khalle adagi mama bhai na jo si school je newspaper theng na badagi recommend to ko ai na sum hadi Google da go through to re tu ka dum yae na khalmi dagi lak na sida.
Mayam na di mapan lai baje as yung da hala tamni hai na di 10 no salaga 11 to so tam da ge na khali ne wakan je. Kari gino nang na sida mapan na tam na nungai na hai je sigi mapan da lak ning na ni ko Manipur lai hori mayam je ka da hai ne mapan tam nungai baje ke.
Mar mo bang ai di keno friend circle hen kat le dagi communication skills myam hen kat le ai ngon da.
Very nice.
Hadi aham da mi ga wa ngang na bu ko dam kiram me hoji ta sing na ai ngon da adu gi fear dum mang re ha bi.
Plus. Very nice.
Adum angang ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯅꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯣ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡ ꯊꯤꯌꯣ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯇꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯥꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯍꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯀꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯇꯧ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 7 ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯨꯡꯇꯧ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯜꯂꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯁꯟꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟ ꯇꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇꯨ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ나 ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯗ ꯍꯩꯁꯨ ꯍꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯤꯕꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ
Very nice. Loan-gi.
ꯂꯣꯟꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯣꯟ ꯍꯩꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯪꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯔ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯑꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯅꯣꯔꯤꯁ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯤ ꯍꯩꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯛꯉꯩꯗꯩ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯨꯟ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯩꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯨꯟ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯍꯩꯔꯛꯏꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯔ ꯍꯩꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯩꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯇꯦꯂꯨꯒꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯩꯌꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯀꯣꯛ ꯉꯥꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯣꯅ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯉꯥꯡꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯥꯛꯇꯅꯒ ꯇꯦꯂꯨꯒꯨꯗ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯡ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯥꯔꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ
Okay, yawa mali ko. Thank you so much ko. Matam nga happy bagi tamakta all the best. Kan na honaro mo pagi ningjeri ba wakhando panghanbada na koi na warasuwana. Oda bata. Outing thok ta kyam koi ga ngoi Singjamei 360 get min na. Kyam koi ga no thok ta ba. Okay, okay. Adi koi idri ne ha. Papak thok pa yade.
ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯣꯂꯤꯗꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯣꯡꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯪꯁꯨ ꯍꯪꯉꯨꯗꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯔꯨꯜꯁꯤ ꯑꯒꯦꯟꯁꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯪꯁꯨ ꯍꯪꯉꯨꯗꯦ
Very nice.
She is an all-rounder.
Yeah.
With NCC.
Okay.
We are cat.
Wow.
She is the leader of the gang.
She's saying that she doesn't.
We really appreciate this Manipuri girls for their academic efforts and also all-rounder. Very good.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best. Thank you. Thank you. So, music thambigri dune. Mapanda tambai kana ba haise akiba leirambasing da loina manghi haise. Ngangmang sakpang ngamamdaba sing do stage fright leiramba adagidi mimang thokpang ngamamdaba masi manghi haibasini. Sidane koina yam plus point ne na thamjani si maram de kaino da. Chung usina zoology gi lab leire. So, secondary section ni hai ta sina.
Ma'am, which side we have to go for?
So, I na jeremy do.
No, no. You do
Mapanda tambagi kana ba. Hoy, shen budi hoy kara changani, shen di kara tingani. Adu.
just 2 minutes.
All right, sure. Adu busina zoology lab. Okay, hi students. You guys are from 11th class or 12th? 12th class. Whew. Are you not scared of all these things? You're used to? Okay, right, good. Zoology lab ne hai so dona makal reptiles, right? Oh gosh. And this is starfish, I know that. Shark. Baby shark. A very popular baby shark, right? Bad. Oh gosh. Anyway, keep studying, keep working harder, okay? All the best. All the best. Zoology lab ne. Mathang de koi NCC the chang se.
This way we can go. Right? Okay.
Masai de koi som na ne. So, yes, Singjamei 360 miyeng ta video ba sing ai sai haijere mi dune. Mapanda tambagi kana ba ai sini. Hoi shen khara changi kwa aduga aigi icha singse mapanda laigi bagi koi kitang uning ba kuning bagi kitang awaba mayuk nei haijere ga su angang gi punsi gidamak tadi mase I isamaksu recommend tongningi hai tare maramdi kayonda aikoigi Manipuri da lairiba awat pasi kari no hairaga like the wate like the loi hai koi like loi na hai wali se kadai da koi wali soft skill ngang thok sak thok pasi heta wat le koi se mimang thopang ngam da ba mimang thok wa ma hai ba ngam da ba mirak tin ngam da ba gi problem se adum leigale adu hojikta angang mana thambirei do mapan da tholaga sigi makhon je tamak padagi adu akibidu leitre Mimang thoga ina kariguma hai ke khoi ke to bada waram ba ngamam da bai kai ram madu pura ko khrem to ina ko khrem madu ko khar kan da hojiti amna confident oire aduga haining ba hai ba ngame loan gi loan gi kahani loan haigalak pagi tungan ba loan haigalak pagi kana ba musu lay na palhawe yamna fazaba point ni man haire do yamna confident oina haire sida tamak padagi man haningdri je kaigino na hangu nei ngasai gi do Andhra Pradesh ta dum makha tamjani se kaigino mangonda yamna kahani mapana tamaki koi mi kirakta ba mi loina ba ngam pagi adugi kana ba ma purak pase masigi da mutama makha ta na dum mapanda like se tamthagani na haire si sing school ji si class
sing na har gadi koina education khogi knowledge gain to bu khaktana tana khogi mi loina ba
mane
kwa si yam
maruye
sidi kano da khaktana tamde ba ai school da tamde ba
lari khatana yada ba matang la e aduna sumaina ngaling adi hona mirak tilanandana tongan ba lamdagi lakpa miyam ga loina handana makoi ga adu to na tinaraka na madu da laiba confidence so whole jengo akoi sai je du ne khong na chatpa wa da na gari na lai hai wa le si chat to si whole campus ne mathak ta lei se koi dormitory lei ma male phi phori na tak pali G+3 ne third floor bau le mathon ahum ne do ga ground floor ga aduna just imagine
sigi ahum sina classroom ne ba si classroom ni aduga somna kan ga phi phawe habdo sina dormitory ne ba asuna kan si dormitory ne ba
si stretch man nupa ge dormitory ne hai aduga asuna kan gi mai kai de khangje re awa hai do
asuna kan gi sina ne asuna kan nupi ne ayam boy ba aduga angang macha up to class 7 book se asuna kan
classroom lei ba
nate dormitory
okay
nupa masa war ga su
hai now sin lai re NCC gi sida theli se yamna phaba hai tare school simakta da dum magi defense line NDA gumbada CDS gumbada chatning taraga di adugi preparations hai tare madu matik chana school sida dumak NCC gi koi gi keno ma center ma attach roga laye habadu ne utli se so yengse changchal laga koi se karam party watli
koi se NCC gi
NCC tawraga
aduga library computer lab aduga dormitory wali
okay
okay akoi sidana NCC gi ngasai haibado akoi office lai jai haibado
okay NCC center attached. This is attached to the school. Sigi.
Sudale. Okay. Apoi
students
ko republic parent chat gumbai select ko da sab paper singin republic ta ko angang NCC ki kedar ma'am chat pa laidana
chale
adum bada chalu ba singin
saru yaro ba okay
le as no mai asing busule
so that is the store
yeah
and she is the NCC officer
yeah hello ma'am hello
okay
so we'll just interact a bit. Is that okay?
This is the demo one.
So how are the students prepared for
this is the demo for the
combined
practical
defense services or NDA? What is
we are giving NDA coaching also, sir.
Coaching also, good to selected students who wants to go to defense
yes,
services.
Sir. Those who are interested. Okay. So we are giving NDA coaching here itself. They also prepare.
So dedicated.
Yes, sir. Two cadets are through SSC, Short Service Commission.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
So NDA. These 3 cadets were working in Merchant Navy. 1 cadet is in Coast Guard, and 1 girl just recently she was selected now for Indian Navy ATC.
Wow.
2026 course. And previously these were RD cadets. 1 through SSC already he became officer. Now he is in Jhansi. He is working Rawat. And these 2 went for RDC. And these 2 cadets attended Tal Sainik camp. He got bronze medal in map reading.
Okay. Wow.
Yes, sir. So we are trying our level best to enter in the armed forces or the remaining services, whatever.
One very important question, I think. Why do you think this is important for a school to have this kind of center attached to it?
Sir, it is important, sir. Why? Because actually NCC was started during First World War only in 1917 because of shortage of the army. So that time nearly I think 19 up to 60, 65. It was compulsory in graduation level. We will get the cadets, those who are young blood in universities only. They can only work for nation or they can only fight for nation. So it is compulsory and it is very, very important. They can adjust everywhere. They can improve personality. They can improve leadership qualities.
Correct.
Command and control.
Correct.
So adjustment everywhere, anything and whatever.
So the spirit of nationalism is instilled from the very young age.
Yes, sir.
And this is very important.
Yes.
Thank you so very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right. So class lower class tigi ho ngai tare asida magagi da leadership ki skill lehenba adagi di laibak shibagi hai tare nationalism gi wakhan aduga tungda makoina defense services army obe ai navy obe ai air force obe ai chat khige haijara go madugi coaching pa haibadune. So right, this is another room.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what's your name, ma'am?
Priyanka, sir.
All right, and what do you work here as?
Here I'm working as NCC A B third officer.
All right, so what kind of facilities or coaching are you giving to the students?
Like a drill.
Yeah.
And we are taking from the ground.
Okay.
They will teach their firing.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see the firing range out there. Yes.
Yes, sir. Hospital training also will give us.
Right. So roughly how many students volunteered, to join this as of now?
As of now, NCC for NCC, sir.
Yeah.
720, sir.
720 students. Mahiroi chatret ka kun NCC those active area. They are active now.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Okay. That's a very good track record for this school because we have just seen that many alumni have joined the civil service, defense service.
Yes, sir.
So keep pushing, ma'am, keep pushing, keep, giving the spirit of nationalism to the students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
4 girls.
4 girls. Good.
Yes,
Good. Thank you so very much. Appreciate your hard work. Okay. Tungan mo wing hai tare. Oh. Right. Okay. Pom patch.
In caption. In the caption, we are not going to interact with it. Captioning. Because if this is not covered,
Got it? Good. Good.
TP1,
just
TP...
cover. That's
Yeah, sure. So that means sometimes the school may have also taken students for integrating tour and all those things organized by the
Yeah,
different services.
we are taking the children for different trekking camps, annual training camps, RDC parades conducted by state and nation, and youth exchange program in other countries also.
Very nice.
That is how we are giving exposure to all NCC cadets through our experienced ANOs and NCC officers. That is how we are doing.
Great. Right, so Sini, amaga lady, naval unit, okay?
Sina kogi Navy gi haitare.
Sini Navy gi.
Okay.
Navy winning ba?
Okay.
That's very nice. These are the head of current
Yes,
this
sir.
thing, defense wing.
The President of India,
Yeah.
and Chief of Navy,
Okay.
and DG NCC, and DDG, Group Commander, our Chairman, sir.
Sir, nam nungai abdi kugi address mapam se kuin sai je duni Vijayawada dagi kilometer kun gani pan muktani laka de Vijayawada hoi Andhra Pradesh ki kha thangda ai tare north lom da dinna tre mase Vijayawada ni magi mayam na yam kano hek pan ma khang dui se aseng ma mami magi lepham ji ki mamam ji Vuyyuru hai ko
Vuyyuru hai ba
Vuyyuru
akhoi ahang hai ba tadna hai sir nice
Vuyyuru hai mapam se Vuyyuru hai riba mapam se ai sai do Vijayawada city dagi kilometer kuni pan khatani
somda akhoi ki sir ne NCC ki akhoi ki sanai ji sir
kilometer kuni pan khatang chalaga leiba Vuyyuru
hi sir
jodagi magi
my brother is Varun
hanagi oja
he's studying right now graduations
matam ko chai tara mathoi gi matung da lakne hai
he had completed he's in food technology
why don't you see sanari jan
Ashish no idea
to panjage Vijayawada
I believe he's in Delhi
dagi kilometer kun gani pan chalaga Vuyyuru hari bom pham sidani
Thank you,
leiri
sir.
pham
We'll
se
meet again,
yamna ingba hai tare asing bagi di mahai tampham hai simakta bu yamna ingba kogi hek takpada khangada mafam do oi ba se yam chumbrana su khalli ko ayam na su residential school se sugum mafam do oi gele adu mapu sigi yam top pi se sai koi hai jai do 80 acres ta sandu iba dugumba school gi campus ni aduga ma se kogi pollution free ni hai dunya sangba gi asang eco friendly oi ba school gi damakta su khangne na takpi re aduga chahi taret leptana CBSE na pangthok padugumba all India gi CBSE kogi residential school gi ranking da chahi taret lak top 10 gi manungda changba ngamba dugumba school amani haina su takpire around 300 plus kogi faculties of different departments ko different koi subject ki oja singna chaurakna mahairoi lising taru ka chamanga rom hauji hauji ki oina current session gi oina haije batare takpi tambiraga leiri haye central loibani no obviously hauji maki di hoi admission process hai inquiry to ba kai de chanchan bi su kai de du April dagi haujagani admission se duga kanuna session na June na dwai dagi haugadabani aduga achangba magi sen pham dumadi hoi madu koi website se be ya ne duma ku installment da thiba ya gani ha ahan ba ming chan da ama aduga makha tarapda ani installment ani emaga adubu karigumba Manipur dagi lakutaraga di madu koina kitang relax oraga haina raga haitare ko mari jaga manga thona thien ba yana na bagi Singjamei 360 gi trust haitare madu gi branding duma koina saga na bi wakhalam da madu gi khudong chaba duma Manipur gi students ga pin na bagi da makta so what we are saying is ma'am actually there should be 3 installments for the these things total fee
Yeah.
but what we are saying is if there are students from Manipur then we may ask them to pay the fee in 4 or 5 installments.
No problem, sir.
No
Our
problem.
chairman and our director also, they have given consent. If they are really in need of that, we are always ready to help.
Flexible.
Because so many children from Manipur, they studied and they enjoyed that facility, and we are ready to extend it for the future generations also. Thank you.
Description da Manipuri sina sport physical education. All right. Physical education ki department hai sana khoda bagi leirim mayam se ma na phangim model mayam di hapetang yeng biro adu ai tang marak tan adum kano na copying ai da hai tare asing bagi di magi total koi gi fee se ahum thokna thiga da ni admission da ma aduga akon bagi instrument ani ma but you just heard from the principal herself that if there are students from Manipur Manipur dagi students lakpa ta ga di ma do koina relax tong thoga 4-5 installment da thiba da kai de akoi thajabagi maroina joda thajabagi Singjamei 360 thajabi bagi mandugi flexibility duma di avail to hanjage haidana principal masa mak na khoi da masima haibirak pasi manipur student gi dum tadi live phabani haida
akhoi sai hadik madam na su happy gre chairman sir gi or director sir gi mai mauni gi consent lo ga haida chije kaino aingonda aina hangbane ba taseng na ha ga di aina experience to gi haida ra na mo ko class 10 lower kan da khoi gi kano se me ki di 10 ꯍꯦꯛ exam ꯂꯣꯏꯕꯒ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯂꯝꯗꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ fees payment ꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯋꯥꯕꯩꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯉꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯩꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗꯗꯤ ꯇꯝꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯦꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯏꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯑꯔꯩꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯊꯥ 6 ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯊꯥ 8 ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯕꯣꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦꯗ ꯊꯥ 3 4 5 ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ 50,000 ꯄꯤꯒꯗꯧ 10,000 ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯇꯝ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗꯣ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ 하이자버네고
aduna So you're the head of the department?
Yes, sir.
What's your name, sir?
Krishna.
Krishna. All right, Krishna is here.
Very trained coach, sir, and
we
NCC
also have
officer is here.
NCC officer Magalai. So they are taking very important role in shaping the student, not just in academics, but yes, in the sports as well, and their physical health as well. So what do you actually train to student?
Hindi में
Oh, क्या सिखाया जाता है? Ngapi gane Singjamei testing de miyeng tama na hindi de hango hai bage hindi de talo hango re masi ki damte ngapi gane na yes
बच्चों को ड्रिल्स सिखाई जाती है फायरिंग के बारे में सिखाया जाता है बाकी आर्मी के बारे में सिखाया जाता है उनको डिसिप्लिन के बारे में सबसे पहले होता है
मतलब बाद में आके आर्मी में अगर ज्वाइन करना चाहे नहीं में उसका पूरी तैयारी किया जाता
जो
है
यहाँ से तैयारी किया जाता है उसमें आर्मी में चल जाते हैं तो बच्चे आसान से ट्रेनिंग कर पाते हैं पूरा जो एनसीसी के बच्चे हैं उनके लिए आसान है आर्मी में उस्तादों को इतना कुछ तकलीफ नहीं होती प्रॉब्लम
क्या लगता है आपके मुताबिक ये महत्वपूर्ण है मतलब छात्रों को ऐसा मतलब स्कूल में ही इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग दिए जाने से
हाँ स्कूल से अच्छा है ट्रेनिंग दे के फिर तो आर्मी में जाएगा तो आसान हो जाएगा आर्मी के उस्तादों के लिए थोड़ा आसान होता है ड्रिल में पीटी में फॉलन में हर चीज़ में आसान हो जाता है
मतलब डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर छोड़ के कहीं सारे प्रोफेशंस भी है उसमें अगर जाना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए तैयारी किया
उसके लिए तैयारी पहले की जाता है एनसीसी में
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
For your time. Thank you.
Wow. Hindi ngang to kare waru biya de mana hindi da hangoi ning misang ja bria sem bagi de mana hindi ta hango. Ayo da dai ta la ti. Pau bhauna na bagi hai ta re. Ta la. Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Krishna.
Library da bet chang se koi ju library lai.
Library da.
Topic pa ma do.
Yes. So hi is ne mai yoi sing se koi na ngallinge de hona mai man na pamjaba trade man pamjaba lambi du gi potential do khangdo piraganda like kata da ilhan da bida co curricular activities da yamna focus pi ha du gi mami ni ha ba tare ko ni ubo phagi se now we're going to the libraries da tang changjen se
akoi matam da library laite
okay
ajik phajana ga lere me like pan ha pa
it's a well maintained stack with lots of books yes students are engaging in their studies very nice so chawba library ni hai tare musida akoina school amagi tangai phadabne hai tare lirik lesson thamba hai bisi duna angang singsina makoi gi school gi oiba lirik khatana tana topa say for example outbu hai na hai tare madugi paba gi koi gi mafamduni library sida magi school gal mari lene ba lari khatana tana to pagi keno so koi doi phangba ngame habduni sid lai se g gi entrance exam thabagi lirik mayam yauri dagi di literature yauri aina sum ubada school khattagi natana hai ta aduni yam maru ori se masimak ne koina holistic development of students am janing se sagi mahi roi sing se koina लाइरिक तदा इलन बनता बिदा मागी लाइरिक तो दगी हेंदोगा अतोप करी पानबे यागे अतोप करी लौशिंग तांजनबे यागे करी लौशिंग पीबे यागे हाबसे याब तंगाई फदबरा हाइना खल्ली मदुगी चप चाबा थबक तुनमकनी लौखली से दो जोधचंद्र ना हाय से यामना नौन एट तौनी ना हायरक तो
नौन एट तो हाय सैना आई 2014 दा लोइग्रेना अदुई मखादा लेबरी अदुदी 14 ना हुजिबोदा 2011
We need for each student 5 books. Okay? We have arranged for all the students, each student versus 5 books. It is loaded with those many books in this library.
So that means they have to bring that?
No.
They have
Actually,
to take that.
according to CBSE rules, we need 5 books for each student. So we kept
Okay. Okay.
that many number of books.
Haibadi, suppose like a man, like Chaman like Mangatame,
Mga tanda ba yade? Oh, right.
And she's a trained lady.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. And she did her course in library science. And she is maintaining so well for the past 8 years.
Keep going. Appreciate your efforts, sir and ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, computer lab. I'm going to
We'll go to the computer lab now. Okay. Computer lab to chatlaga. Address amutanga very good. Singjamei 360 miyeng tabiri ba sing na koi da thazari ba live se Andhra Pradesh tagini Singjamei 360 se Manipur manung khakta datna Northeast manung khakta datna koi South India ya ore habdi koi se national ore habdi la ise maram di kai ginoda Singjamei 360 na yamna holistic oiba wakhalo namada habdi connecting people habni Manipur gi myan sing si connect to ba mapan gi world ga aduna focus se more on the koi gi mahi masing tammarom da masi su koi tangai phati habdi wakhalon du dani haiba tare koi na lakchari basi yes we have all the some of tang nam birak se duga koi lakchari basi Andhra Pradesh ki Krishna district ki manung channel laiba Vijayawada dagi 28 kilometers chalaga laiba Vuyyuru haiba mafam du dani Vuyyuru haiba mafam se laiba koi gi school sigi maming na VISWASANTHI CBSE Higher Secondary Residential School and one of the top CBSE residential school in the country. Chahi tarek lak thangna na haiba school asi CBSE na pangthok padungba all India gi ranking the top 10 chanbang ngam grabadungba school ni haiba school sigi park chawbase 80 acres ni aduga 20 acres ama dedicated for the sports and activities adugi su mathak tamasi eco friendly oiba pollution free oiba dugumba educational area amani haibadune yamna ingba mahi masing tambagi damakta yamna chanaba koi city dagi su khara haidoga leiba hai tare yamna nakpa airport se koi gi Vijayawada International Airport nei sidagi kilometer kunga humdoi khatani chatlise nearest railway station su adu mangni 28 kilometers Vijayawada da dumagi laire aduga aina ningsing jaba yaba no hoi akhang mi di khangbiram gani Guntur hai tare Guntur su chaurana sidagi kilometer humpu mutani ya Guntur ga dum nakna re hai tare mase aduna South India is agi wakanda di yamna ideal oiba studies koi gi academic damakta di South India is ideal for the academics and studies. So
These people are going to write their exams now.
oh mapoy ojik paikha tha ba chat ke dori ne hai all the best students. So computer lab tam tang okay yes so I think this is not just the dining hall, there are 2 or 3 dining halls a school nina dining halls is sima khatana te sima way habiduni but si khatana tana roughly how many
Hojik che
asumna ka damag urami
akoy matam da ani na hojik kya le
so maybe 2 so dining hall ne mahiro sing se mo gi batch 9 la aga chak pizai hai tare ngasai koi na changa pada magi leftover puthoki budo sidai puthoki bani hai tare sil lakse so one time the yame ai madugi information dum tak hangjage one time the phamba yari se what is the capacity ma'am what is the
250 at a time.
250 mahiroi chani yankai amukta da chaba yai
250 students at a time, they can take their breakfast, lunch and dinner. So likewise, we start at 12:30 and end this by 2 o'clock.
so you have
4 to 5 batches will take their
so you have 3 meals given in a day
3 meals given in a day. Breakfast, lunch, then supper. In between there are snacks.
okay and I also saw once this kind of dining hall so how many dining halls do you have in
3 dining halls we have, sir, 250 capacity each.
oh so
One is separately for girls
okay
and other 2 are for boys.
nupigi tongana 250 chanba nupigi tongana dining hall ma duga nupagi sugumba ani maga so 750 students at a time
At a time.
wow
masagi co-education tawi taw
di hado chama bhau
nupi ka
pulan de all right so you don't give food to boys and girls together no okay aduga chabagi pallingai da aikoina matam phangaga di madu ucharake school sigi oijaba magi farm leije hai tare san chamanga sangom thokpa sanju iroisu chamanga rom lei adu koi matam phangaga di cover tawjarake madu dagi tholapa sangom duna semba ke hai tare chabu oiro atu mau oiro madu kart oiro dahi koi sangom yan da bi hai tare madu pijay hai dune adu matam sangaga di koi san iroi chamanga leiba so we have heard that there is a farm where you have around 500 cows and buffaloes.
We'll be going there.
We'll be going there. Okay, so chat pa phangduri male yegs.
How's computer lab set say? Adu sida jik to isina mo khogi test ko mo to bodo. Adu ni test kine hosi phami jing.
Okay.
Adi
I'm strict way ba.
Maram li hosi phamali se kaim tagi na te classroom da di moi thana thana phami dana. Adu si je la phami no li sina dana ba konna dana ba strictly tawi ne ba.
As I said, I'm strictly when they're giving their tests and classroom do ita di nak na phamin na gi ta ga tana gi ba ya ba gi tanja do pi de ba hai ta ma pan da thola ga yamna strict oi ba holistic oi ba achumba amada makhoi je test tawri ni hai bi ni hojik se mane mane even akhoi bau da bora da thara ga tame akhoi na akhoi gi primary akhoi gi hai tare kg tamaku matam da hai ba school je koi hojik lai ba tg se tg ji gi manung da Montessori na ma lai ram me Montessori dugi school du da akhoi bora thara ga
They are learning how to sit on the floor and write the examination for 2.5 hours to 3 hours.
Oh. Do the preparation. Now we are proceeding towards computer lab. Wow. I'm now.
Sit straight, all of you. Sit straight.
Very nice.
Sit straight.
Tangai padaba hojiki matam dadi computer lab is laitaba sunya mai yadaba dumba
mane hojiti computer social media AI ge matam ni na without computer we can't exist ki type lai ra abne
But don't look at sirs, right? Do your work. Children, you are writing your SAPL exam now. What is that SAPL exam? Structured assessment of learning analyze.
Okay. What is it? SAFL exam.
SAPL, sir.
Okay.
Structured assessment of analyzing learning.
Is an online exam period hai tare hosi.
Yeah, this is conducted by CBSE all over the country for 8th, 6th and 3rd classes.
Okay.
To assess their standard all over the country at a time, that will help the teachers to design the learning methods and teaching methods also. And they come to know to make some changes in the learning process and teaching also, and then curriculum also. So for that purpose, this examination is conducted for 3 classes every year.
Very nice. Very nice. School sidagi.
Give me 5 minutes.
we'll cover dormitory first.
School sidagi zira nita kogi rank taba rank holder hai tare kayam puthokre adugi su mathakta CBSE gi all India gi exam da su rank holder hai tare kayam puthokre ai chaurana hai tangai board pudi yam lai hawe do isida se moi pi ba brochure sida su tak uchage so da tengai je koi na sin excellence in every rank 10 the topper 12 the PCM ki topper 12 the PCV ki toppers I said da G IIST NIT IIT sugumba koi ke competitive exam sing hai tare sidasu makoi gi success story lairaba dugumba school amani obviously chahi yang khai lairaklaba school hai si maktabu yamna experience lairaba yamna dugi ahoba kuppa sing loina khangaba school ama oire haibasi madi koina kisu ningai laitre da medical college, different medical colleges in the country, the ladiba, koigi medical college in the mapamastagi how kiba mahiro singna tam giba gidu photo ni thelaga thamise. So schools da is the koi haije bedo. Foundation dagi hauna class 6 tagi na 10 bauna koigi engineering gi na tagana medical gi foundation course adum hape aduga 10 gi matung 11 and 12 tana dedicated badugumba G amadi NEET ki exam gi adum coaching hape haibadune dun niam suwe adasu mapanda moi chaukri puthuga larik kahani paikha thaba gi kanom ju uri
khoi gi ngasai gi sai bado khoi gi ngasai gi angang singsin nak na phamadi khoi gi sina bagi amasu laidana
mane
aduna lampak tasu dum uthoga khoi gi konoda khoi gi exam taweba lampak tasu kaisu ado sida ju makha ju phamma gu tawido exam ne hai tare ado sum magi fear tawladana bagi means ni hai tare aduga khoi ji chatu sina dormitory ni aham the boys dormitory han sangasi sina boys dormitory ngakne ba siki kano sina sona kan nupi gi hai bedong sai aduga dormitory um changa ga girls dormitory na kamai tawgi ha pa su habet yengasi
dai ka zo male
dormitory sa matak lom na male sona kan yengasi
So amutanga hanna hauzik kakta Singjamei 360 miyeng tabiri ba or hauzik kakta changak pa singda thamjaning se ngase koina hazari ba live ase mahai masing tambagi damakta miyamna yamna pamna ba dugumba South India gi state ama oiriba Andhra Pradesh ki Krishna district ki manung chanan laiba Vijayawada dagi just kilometer kungani pan katang chatlaga laiba dugumba school amadani hariba school sigi maming VISWASANTHI English medium high school zu lai senior secondary su lai habadi L lower KG dagi horaga class 12 hawbagi residential school ni masda koi gi residential oina learning da ba laitaba su koi gi day boarding hai tare madugi su koi facility lai ado yamna chawba 80 acres of Sandoga lady Badugumba school amani mafam asidagi koigi toppers kaya recently 2025 ta pangthok Badugumba G advanced 2025 ta school asidagi how kibi amagi success story gi kanone board ne koina ubu phangi se adana kahani achang khudam hai ta koina pai haijin ban nataba madugi lara khudam du ne koi se ubu phangi se
asomna kan gi doina karas
Theliba wege toppers singi rank holders including toppers or high mark scorers singi magi keno singsi board singsina dum madugi khudam ne sigi suna yamna successfully kayam kanna hotnage habadugi laraba khudam ne hai tar
sigi thepagi maramam sa bet trapam haijage
haibi
kamai tawge hada akoi sida state suna ba mi se lai dana adi like tam midna ngang parents sing la ko ko mem yawi dana
mane
sumaina ai isa sing se sumaina recognize to bi sumai thetbi ba se moi the pride am phause ba adugi do ai use the yahon ge ai use the yahon ningi haiba porama masa do su feeling am laga o adi hona haning ba porama dum phawe hai tare
okay ai matang kan Jordan na khangmani na ai na budi khange do Jordan haibi sina kana odoino
okay senior chairman sir ni khoi gi managing director founder ado sina khoi gi no chairman laire founder laire asina khoi hansai gi student ama G advanced 196 all India rank lakhibodo khoi gi okpa gi ni reception to bi duga sina khoi gi chini sir hai ko khoi managing director ni MD aduga MD gi madam ni ado mobani se loina bak MBBS
well qualified they are MBBA you know certified
doctor
come for JEE advanced and also local state NCC
this one
and she secured 176 rank in JEE advanced in OPC category and open rank is 1071.
Okay.
And she's the topper of JEE mains with 99.97 percentile, and in regular syllabus 989 out of 1000. And she is the pride of VISWASANTHI educational institutions. That is why our chairman and directors are honoring her with all the laurels. Thank you.
We also have another successful student who secured second rank in the IIT exam. Yeah, so LS Bharat Reddy, seems who I have just to let the people know that the school has done tremendous, work in terms of academics. So she very success stories so lay have dune koina mayam da thamjaning is now we are moving towards the dormitory. Duga we'll go up.
There will be no network will be. Yeah, we can walk.
So buildings in makta da hai tare mathon home gi building ne mathon home dui matak ta khara budi yawe da na koi gi staff sing gi su oi be ya na khalle aduga ina pandaba ma leire su chawba mafam da sandoga leiba school sina mahiroi sing si mahai tambi ba khakta natana chaurang na imung chatret ka yankhai 750 families direct or indirectly school asidagi phangakpa akoi gi ha gi sena hingba jibika oijari hai tare samsam na haijara kanda both teaching and non-teaching staff ki imung chatret ka yankhai hai school sina makoi gi hingnana bagi punsi lambi ama oina piri hai basing masu koi na panba ya ba mo koi hai tare direct koi gi school sina 750 families direct or indirect around 350 to 400 families are also being are also dependent hai tare hariba school says the makoi gi jibika oina lady have we are here at the girls dormitory nupi gi dormitory dine koi hana luxury basi so this is I think the second floor floor ahum ne the second floor dane koi na karai je first floor dana
girls dormitory
class
the girls ki dormitory ne ba
mane first floor dana class oi howe aduga akoi na lai je girls
classroom like
suna kana oi okay sina dormitory nga to oi ba dora gadi makha dana koi gi administrative block oi howe koi sai u da hapet sanction mina se girls dormitory ni well furnished very clean very cool hai tare lady basi so
mattress ka je kutha ji thi koi hana sumana pirak te
oh mattress moi bizare ba
pi ba do sumana thab de ma khoi ma ton de phang de ba
mo nu si hostel le lei ngai pun si ni ngai hai Singjamei 360 gi admin di kari dingchang ke dormitory si uraga atopa ma su dingchang ni ado dia hai panjar ga dormitory si uraga hai ta so very clean aduga Piju Pijamba Sagi Mapam Lady Maheroina Taudi have the dedicated with a laundry department layer, laundry department and Makogi Piju Pijam Tobi a Saikara for Hapet Ure. There is a dedicated laundry department. So none of the students are allowed to wash their clothes themselves.
They need not.
They need not, rather. Aduni Yam Pazaba Yam clean way, very clean, very cool, well furnished.
And one more thing, this is the AC room.
It's AC.
AC door.
AC
So
door.
every dormitory AC lo na attached ta hoy.
Sini. Adagi de koi na palobi abam na washroom da su koi geysers lo yawe. Solar geyser.
Solar geyser gi.
Ising asaba gi kudong chaba. Ai sai hai bagi waningai leitre. Yam kana sarak matam da saram dui ni labje hoji. Dam da ne hai si bo da koi dum humang thui ai tare do. AC pale sigi room sida what must be the capacity? 35 ta AC mari palaga they fan taurai ne na thoidong na dugi asaba gi problem I don't think there would be
koi boys dormitory ngo changa si
double ni na okay
sisna
dormitory gi ngai call tawnu na bagi hai do
parents sing gi
parents in the wari sana ningu matam da dormitory room amam da phamung kun ni thari se double loy in 40 students capacity 20 beds 40 students ki capacity so this is the phone line with which the students
Card
can
will be given and then they can speak to their parents.
yes direct adum makoi ki permission du laura kanda after seeking the permission they will be given a card and then they can use the card smartphone ni hai tare adu tawraga sizinaraga makoi na parents sing da smart pay phone hai se makoi na card to pira ani se namsan khraga do
gift tawraga
ma gi pira iba matam du matung ina adum dormitory dagi thak thola ga dum isam sam na se wari sawa yare habani well
akhoi matam
well equipped
amamda
hello
phone macha am thamne ba adu warden na pai ga ni ba ko adu ga phone la nungdang dang hadi class loy ga hai tare ko hanga phone parents tawraga wai san din
so
asomna kan do
chang sangaro ge bud lei ba keno se mo phamung kun thaba aduga mahiroi nipu 40 students ki how many rooms there must be 11 12 15 rooms 12 rooms room tara dormitory room tara ga ni thoi ni adu di khalla ke ngo mi nipu na tara ni thoi aduga si khata suna te floor si ka to but sum yam lei ri no parong gi so koi chang ba yara ga di chang ne ba di hot na ge but adum yare na khalle chap man na ba facility chap man na facility ni phang do ri se
ที่คุณจะตัวเสียใช้ปันกี่บ่คุยกี่ฟาร์มด
ยามพยายแต่มาซากี่วันบ้าสุ่มวางหมดแล้วมาเลยโดยฉันไม่ได้อยากกระโดดดู anyway สิ่งที่ไม่360มีอย่างตาบิริบสิงอามุกตั้งก็หันนะทำใจเก่งงั้นสิสิ่งที่ไม่360นะ another leap ให้กันละคุยนะเลยรำลีบหาในกี่พิบัมตัวกี่ขราเห็นในคุยนะปักทุกจักทุกแล้วก็ South India marui na mahi masing tambagi da mukta di South India si aam na mafam chabani hai na longna bang atani mama pa oi basin su loi na khangna bang atani aduga adugumba South India da leiba Andhra Pradesh to be precise Vuyyuru hairiba Vijayawada dagi kilometer 19 khatang chalaga leiba sugumba India da yamna phaba khwaidagi phaba koigi residential school singi manungda ama oiriba hai tare manung chanba dugumba VISWASANTHI hairiba koigi school dugi campus ni koi lai 80 acres park chauna leiba dugumba campus ni building si ai kai haido no chawre khong chatpa khong wai hai da na koi gari season ni gari macha season araga koi campus si koi ri ne block ama dei block ama chatpa sang hai da sing na dugi kai ni awa ba ko na ban koi gari macha da chatlaga laine duga manung da sanabam leire angang gi sanabam lower kg dagi ni amtangan thamjai lower kg dena 10+2 bhogi class ta tamliba day boarding su laye residential su laye duga india gi leiriba state khutting maktagi haibu yare to be precise adum mahiroi lai haiduni koina sai wari sanab du su maharashtra dagi yawe off camera da koina sanabam matam da su punjab dagi yawe bihar da yawe Jharkhand dagi yahawi so it's not just kanu gi wang khatana Andhra Pradesh ki student khatana tana
guide
India gi leiriba state khuding maktagi students sing sum laga tammi habdani makoina akoina su sai hange kaidobugi dam to sigi school se prefer tawrino haraga sagi magi quality magi piriba facilities adugi damakta khangna bagi damakta different part of the state dagi different part of the country dagi laaga mafam sida mahi masing tammi habdani now akoi hojik chattuise mase atopa school da tawram gadra aina di masu pak leiramodra na khalle adubo school gi oiba masa gi oiba sangom puthokna ba sangom gi product puthokna bagi damakta hai tare san amadi iroi sangom thokpa san amadi iroi chamanga rom moina yoga thami makoi loiraga thami madudagi tholakpa sangom duna residential schools in leiriba mahiroi singda pi haibaduni masi makni yamna yamna unique oiba haitare ai wakhanda
adagi sangom mafam ba je khoi di already khoi adaga phangidi mahi langi dana
process tawraba ngam atani yanjallaba atani sila isi paikha thari ni hojik yembio payam sing se they are giving their exams now maram mama akoi sa haijabado asai principal na jo haibi gi pung ahum gumba paikha thabada leiba stress to madu lehandana na bagi damakta madu gi tolerance endurance wangkhalana na bagi damakta sumaina mapanda puthuaga paikha thalle sigi practice tawe haina takpi yam mahiroi sing si mai gi larik boy puthuaga ไปค้าท่ารีนี่เลยจะเจ้าขี้เด็กพัมไปยาวีกราวน์เด็กพัมไปยาวีไอ้ตัวน่ะยามเนี่ยยูนิคอีกว่าแค่หนูมันเนี่ยให้ตาเลยฟาร์มที่คิดตั้งวันลีบล่ะซีมตั้งพัฒยามพัฒว่าแค่หนูมันเนี่ยให้ตาเลย Okay, we'll go to the farm first. So, example ini stress free hai tare ne sam na open air examination pi bagi wakan the pressure lai ta ba ka manung da phubak na raga phunjil ga ka ni ko ipun ge taw du na ta bi ni de taw ri se well wai yam na ka hai ni appreciate taw ba ya ba du gum ba unique oi ba tactics makal amani angang sing da yam na ing na makoi da pressure laitana makoi da ke hani thoidok pa wakan wahan da na yam na ing na open air is da puthuoga paikha tha halli ne adugi kana busu leigani hene khalli stress
akoina sumaina akogi greeny space daga toga exam tha lei ba pose makoi da akogi masai classroom da dam laisalaga exam tha bagi kaino do magi stress am lebo do
mane
adu do lathok na ba hai tare
mane
adugi kano da su yamna maru adu da su focus tawi duga plus masai ma hai gi angang sin da nang phamina di
mane
sinna bagi chance
yengna bagi chance haina bit leire i adugi bad practice to haina dan bagi hai tare
adu hauji hai pose akoina ada se sana da yum lom da hai tare adum thengnai hai tare sumaina
tawi tawnai ga tawi thawai na yengge hai da su dum michi ne huraga yengaga dum sinaba adugi kenu se phattaba kai kani practice hai tare madu tawhondana na laundry lere
som ki se laundry ni ko laundry ada machine khilli se
machine khilli residential school da leiri ba mahiroi singi Piju pijam, tahu nana bani, powdok nana ni tara tinggal lagi se video tadi taram tu, wow, sih lagi deh. Asal yang nana thamina sih dia. So this is asal tempat kami laundry, we have that laundry department. Very nice.
Sikit laundry tu.
We have dye.
This side you can cover, this side you can.
Okay.
Nice. I mean, this is a very unique. When I don't remember, any school having such, what to say, arrangement. This must be
yes, sir.
The only one.
Only one throughout the states, sir.
Yeah.
And we have around 500 cattle here, serving the milk needs of the whole hostel. And this is a veterinary lab for even the veterinary college students.
Oh.
So they come here and then they do their internship.
Okay.
With the help of our veterinary staff. Who are serving here in the dairy farm. It's like a research lab.
Research lab for veterinary students. So, sida saniroi chamanga muksidagi tholai ba sangom gi products sing sina residential school da leiba students sing gi mokoi gi pija pithakta season nei haibadune adugi su mathakta mokoi gi veterinary department dagi lakpa students sing oigera na torna veterinary kamniba sing haigara mokoi gi lab oina koi gi keno toba experiment toba test toba gi keno su oi haibane hodik sangom sumdore yam raba cattle sidagi tholaka dore bas sangom se roughly what is the production per day
1200 liters per day, sir.
1200 liter lising amaga chani 1200 liters per day production.
Children eat cheese and ghee and curd every day in good quantity.
Very nice. Not adulterated.
No.
Pure one. Mahirwa sing the pizza di ba?
Oh, ising ande. That cartol. Ako yung cartol ina sa jo hay panjare ko. Sing am dia nang lang ne ba. Koi nong ba hayeng kum ba kana to da hap si yung cartol ngai to ki yo.
Right.
Sir, every morning each student will get 100 ml of
Milk.
Bonvita milk.
Okay. 100 ml.
100 ml of Bonvita milk they must drink.
Right.
To make their body strong.
Exactly. Mahirwa sing da ayu khudingi 100 ml of Bonvita milk. Sangom sing sidagi tholaka dori ne atopatagi laide adulterate oide haibudune not mixed with anything. It's a pure milk produced by the school itself. This is a very unique approach, I think. And then obviously you are also taking concern about the health of the students as well. Ghee butter yes please.
One veterinary doctor is associated with us
Okay.
year long to look after the health of the cattle.
Not just the student.
Like the children's health.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hi bago is iroisan chamnga mungsi yengsen ba dedicated veterinary doctor amasu employed tawra thame mahiroi singi asama bu phanba khatana tana yo iba sanga singjigi masamo ju pa thanana bagi veterinary doctor ama dedicated oina maduda employed tawra thame. This is very good approach. And the best part is very clean. And na le hata akoy do di changam maro akoy da da mai ta di changmang maro si am na le manam karim da lagte. Very clean. I think it's being washed on our basis. Maybe that's why it's very
Sanitary
clean.
conditions are
Very important. Yeah, exactly. Otherwise, had it been in another place, it would be very filthy and then very smelly. But you don't feel that here. Very nice.
And we maintain this like our hostel dormitory.
Very nice. Dormitory da masayam nana le habodong na ahari ba koi isdal yo iba sanga ji yamna nana yo e haboduni healthy oina hygienic oina madu thammakanda hygienic oiba koi milk product ghee oiba yai butter oiba yai sango mapambo oiba curd oiba yai madu loina sidagi puthoga mahiroi sinda piye ayukta bonvita milk 100 ml mahiroi amamam da hai tare madu piye thakta ya de thale hai isne. This is very nice. Very nice approach. I'm unique oiba. Hai tare. Masaya nana tham.
अदुदी मथंग देखो लॉन्ड्री तो हम चल से
Laundry type chang bhai hai.
Purchase the grass whole year.
Oh gosh. It's not an easy task.
It's not an easy task. It itself is an institute like.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is how it is going on. So started with 6,000 buffaloes and now we have 500 cattle here over the years.
Right. So moi di machinjak pisan na ba hai tare. Napi si adum chahi chupama ma koi gi ma atopa mafam de lai raga ma koi ji pizza pitha e hai du. Masai am na le. Akoi da loi bi ro ta di keno to raga. Hello sir.
From supervision.
Wow. So
Rajendra Prasad.
you look after this.
Yeah, he's look after this. And
Day starts at 3 in the morning and ends very late.
It must be very tiring work, right? And how many staff do you have under you?
65 members.
65 staff.
His daughter also read here and she's reading MBBS doctor.
She's now an
Okay.
MBBS student.
Sige, mafam si senabiriba miyoy ni haye magi macha asu se doctor adum tamme haye aduga magi makada staff 65 staff adum thammaga mayam si senari ni haye so oh god gosh. Very nice.
Thank you.
Keep the work up, sir.
Thank you.
Very appreciate. Very appreciate. Main thing is very clean. They are very clean. Yeah. Okay, so we are at VISWASANTHI CBSE Senior Secondary Residential School here at Vuyyuru, which is just 28 kilometers away from the city, Vijayawada, and roughly 23-24 kilometers away from the Vijayawada International Airport. Laundry, yes, we are going to the laundry. And then, of course, we also have a railway junction at Vijayawada. So it's just roughly 29 kilometers away. So not very far. And it's a very, eco-friendly place. Mahi masingi damu tadi amna mafam charaba mafam ni hai tare chawraba campus ne koi na side chatli si pungani sujala kadawre agoi side nga ngai ba chalai ba si pungani sujala kada yaudri hai ba si bauda red ground. Probably yes, we will have another section tomorrow. Singjamei 360 miyeng tabir ba singdai sim takdi thamjauge ngasi pungani changnai khoi na sida koi bauda mafam ji thungba ngamdri hai tare dona koi hai ayuk amaga mu koi session ama tentak no koi tawjarake maru oina madudana koi na sana khona bada koi focus pizarake. So we are going to have another section tomorrow morning Probably we might start at 8:30 in the morning, where we will be focusing on the sports and games activities. We will be showing you the grounds that this school has. One of the teachers told us that the day start with the yoga practice. This is a very good approach again. So yoga practice na how we hai. Yeah. So aduna how we hai aduna hai ayuki session da koina sana khona da kitang focus pizareke. Now this is the laundry machine that we have here. Lairiba koi gi mahiroi singsigi phisu phisam se madu taubagi ni hai ta. Just imagine lairiba phisina tai si mi se kayam yamam gani hai badugi yang machine sin ama ni ahum mari manga taru tare nipan mapan taral ni lai se ama difang taure hai bodu mapan ni hosi work tauri se. This the mahiroi singi magi phi sing se sigi tongana leijari magi staff sing asina phisu phisam se tawe hai badu ni. So
aduga stay da amtang cover to biba se tongana plastic ama tongana cover to ise angang se khogi ai phiron punbi kanu hai ba leidana hai leidana adagi idea haksang se kanu tawi kholi ai phi de punbi kanu hai ba indo aduga separate ne full thamis.
Okay.
Clothes are collected dormitory wise, sir. Yeah. They'll be washed and then they'll be returned back in the dormitories on time.
Okay, very good. So just imagine the quantity of the clothes that we see here proves how many students are there in the residence in this residence school. Yeah. I mean, this is the living example. This is the proof. Aduni.
Dormitory number thai se.
I koina high udragasu. Dormitory numbers in Thari. Dormitory wise collect or duga dormitory wise sure kana dormitory wise adum han gi return to we have it's a very nice adu mahirosin su wahan da hai tare hostel da later po ita isana suja doi natra do koi manipur da chana bi sibo hoi lairam gadra atopa aduma po koina sum ujarak padadi manipur da laiba school sing da koi isana dum phiju phisa isana dum tawjabra na khal adu sidadi makoina hai si madu hoi tangai phadaba ai gi keno natana atopa adum phi achoba sing di ke do hai tare laundry da dum laundry wise collect to la ga madu wali koi se pung ani di 2 hour ma pu phare aduna koi sign out to gadra
exam to do adam cover to manga dum
ada lo selase adu mafam du cham chare sai exam to hobo sing du so adu changa maga so si ngo si du lei ba u ga tha ri si ma si sahi kya chang na semam du nya rai ba na te ba he ta ngasi ta poroga he ta thajin ba u na te hai du ni se ma tha ri si amna iseng seng haning di care lo bu du sai ki care lo bu du gi ma gi kino ni thabak tu ni ma du changi ba effort tu ni da ma du appreciate to we aba du ma thabak ni hai bu ni hoje khoi na sai khon ucharam ba lampak ta mai ro myam thuoga khoi gi ka hai ni changyeng test exam pi ho bu do khoi adai da yoksal laga adai da khoi sign out to ge du how the di hai ba tare sing mai 360 ming tabi sing ngai bi kho adu ga hayeng ayuk most probably 8:30 adai da khoi session amoga mung tok jara kemram ding asi pung ani khoi da challi se bo da yo kai to bungam de loichen mangam de hai tare magi kan se campus se thung mangam de hai tare aduki matik chawre hai ning ba dunia duna hai ayuk maru ina sana khotna ba ayuk ki khoi ge assembly ayuk ki khoi yoga session cover tau jara ke adugi su mathak ta most probably thank you sir good to see you adugi su mathak ta khoi if we have time we'll do it khoi school asigi chairman ge su khoi heng wari watai sabagi tanja du phangbra yengke asigi de khoi pung ani hele pung ani hela ba asigi live coverage of the campus se khoi thung mangamdri khoi ne yaudu mafam leiri aduga akoina interview lobagi tanja su ngasi ngamgado ba mande aduna
asigi day scholar kangu he hoide ba
day scholar kangu na porok ma gi school gi karak pada season ba cycle gari sa pulap thamne yam gre hai ta
adagi amu kano sina chhatra sing na cycle na tabam ta porko yade
okay cycle na tan sin ba yade all right adu mudi chumni
asda gari ato wo original ko gi staff sing gi
11 12 car about the sin ba yade hai bidune
ari eco friendly ohen bado
eco friendly ohen bidune
campus manung se
so ayuki pung taruk makhai dagi residential school already hai bani residential da laibu ta ayu ki pung taru makai de gi thola ga like shu class school bus mein am lai re 60 plus ne hai ngasai do 60 plus ki school bus dedicated for the day scholars in gidamak tani lower kg de gi horaga class 12 fawbagi mahi masing tambham ne aduna block yam gre hai tare akoi chali se thungma ngam di somna kan si ma koi cover tawdri se sing na hai ne koi to somna kan khatani hayeng ayu akoi sona kan gi se cover tawge ma da koi na sports ka mari leina ba magi extracurricular activities singi kaino sing hai ba tare cover tawjege te do koi basketball court ani laye. Apart from this, we also have this red ground which we are going to cover tomorrow morning. We'll start with a yoga session tomorrow. So this is a very interesting part. Mangwan the pisalo ne kano the mic to. Manum hai yanina. Yanin. Ma'am, I just want to know what okay.
Okay.
What is the actual purpose of letting the students come out here and then
Sorry, here in spite of the regular curriculum and academic busy schedule also competitive coaching is given, right? So to de-stress among the nature, right, a correct ambience is provided to de-stress themselves and give an exam and a good atmosphere. So every weekly, whatever they have written that whole week, a small assessment will be taken so that we can correct the child wherever needed. So in whatever aspect the lecturer can sit together, all of them, all the subject expertise can sit together and know where the child lags either in physics subject or chemistry subject, come to an assessment and bring out the best output and the best result individually as well as for the school.
Very nice. Why do you think this is important? I mean, to let the student de-stress their mind before giving any exam. Why do you think this is important?
So before going for the boards, with the name of the boards itself, the child is stressed too much, right?
Yes.
So now and then weekly test makes them exam as a plaything, right? Playful thing that they'll take exam easier because they have already, every week they have given an exam and an assessment is taken. So by the time the board comes, they'll feel it as a cakewalk.
Nice. Nice thinking. Very nice thinking. So,
and one more thing, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Please.
Actually, all these examinations will not, the board goers, they will be considered as an internal assessment for 20 marks.
Okay.
The other 80 marks will be taken from the board examination only for 10th and 12th and intermediate too. So prepare the children like this will help them, as my friend told, right? They will become confident and then they'll have moral support to face the examination without any hesitation.
Okay,
so
so
that is the reason why we are conducting throughout the year around 14 to 15 examinations to make them confident.
So I know that hangzara mini sumaina mapanda ngang sinji puthoga exam thali si karigino na haiba matamda koi board exam parikha lai haiba khata da ngang sinji makoi da frustration ka ba makoi da stress laiba adugi wakhan da mogi pressure laiba do madu di stress taw nan bagi sigi method si season abani haiba do ni makoi da open year is da yamna ambience aphaba ambience haiba di koi mahol kai hai do na mai talo dai bu ka re environment se hai tare ka mogi akoi ba si yamna ingba dung ba koi ba ma da putho akan da makoi bu paikha gi mingda makoi gi makok ta leiri ba awa ba adagi di phumbak na ba pakhat pa kija ba thukat pa mayam do kok na magi da makta madu gi preparation tawri ni hai. On top of that sigi open year the period exam sidagi board ki oina di 20 marks ama internal assessment do adu mapan sida samaina putho akan da pihal akan da makoi da wakhan da ingna jingnaba leitana chamam na ba leitana masa masa gi oiba mana pibam thokpa mana ibam thokpa do adumak kahani exam do pihan bagi koi mami ni hai tare yam interesting way masigumba koi method se koi Manipur so masi tauba chumbra haina khali space leibam di mathau tai have you need to have space to conduct this kind of open year examination.
100 at a time they are attempting the exam.
100 students. 1200. Okay. Amukta lising amaga chani 1200 1200 students can give their exam at a time. Maphamasi makta da mi lising amaga chani amukta pula phammaga because thaba yai have the name Manipur su masigi methodology masigi method masigi techniques amtang khanna hobi ba yai paikha exam haibagi maming se panbada do wakhan da wa ba do madu lehenda na open year oiba amne independent oina amaga tanandana amaga wangang na dana magi tobhum thopa mana khangja haijaba do madu exam se pihale aduga sidagi moin hare sidagi moin assess se tawrakanda angang se kadai da soli ge kadai da watli no kadai da masi puthari no haibasigi assessment du yenga matung de individually magi awat ma pham da oja sing na madu men khat na bagi makeup tong na bagi keno ni hai adugi tactics makhala man adugi method makhala man ni na hai amukta lising amaga chani mahairoi lising amaga chani ma pham se da phamaga paikha se thaba yae na hai thalle hai chahi amada dum chang nai na around 30-40 exams piram gani in high school di chayol kiting gi dum tawre na hai yare every week exams ma open year da puthoga nga si se pekha thahali masida makoina yamna wakhanda kani ningjing mangjing na ba laita ba wakhanda dugumba phakchan ba lehan da bida open year sida stress lauthok na na bagi hai tare makoida pekha gi ming da wabdo mogi kokta lak awabado madu lauthok na na bagi kaini methodology amani haina takpire aduna ekoi pung ani henjale koina cover tawjai se ai loisalakpada muktanga hanna 360 Singjamei 360 miyeng tabir ba singda thamjage koina ngasi lakchari ba se yamna unique oiba yamna su kaini yeng bada lairik se haida haido man ba dugumba mafam amadani haizaba tare. We are at Vuyyuru, which is just 28 kilometers. Vijayawada, Haribadugma main city sigi dagi kilometer kunga nipan. Lapna laibadugma Vuyyuru, Hariba mapam. Aduda laiba VISWASANTHI CBSE Senior Secondary Residential School ni, which is one of the top residential CBSE residential schools in the entire country, nurturing around 6,500 students in the current session. And we have around 300 plus faculties, and roughly around 750 families are dependent on this school, which is a huge number, I think. And students from different part of the country, to be precise, around 22 states, students from 22 states are learning here. Like Tammi Hayat, Charakna, all India, the Haita, Tongan, Bambam, the Laga, one of the best top residential school, even in Mama, everything in Suma Pamse, Tamhani, Bagidu, but later, when it's Shoistan, when in a Kale. Not just academic, the school is also focusing on the personality development for their career, and then, of course, extracurricular activities. We have a lot of facilities here. So the focus is not just on the academics, on the books. Also, please remember that the class starts at around 6:30 in the morning, and which will go on till 9:30 in the evening for the residential school students, and up till 4:30 for the day scholars. So this is Quiggy, I am a matamzi lyrics, there's a lyrics to hold by that, and Taquina Mahero and anything that are the Mogi lyric pavi matamzi, why and high over why moina why high do angang with Wiggy Chatukningba, whatever tangas, hunting bigi, or Zeraka Sumama power, wishing the assistant structure that give Palm Gadana Kali. Just again, just to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, the viewers of Singjamei 360, you're watching live from Vuyyuru. The name of the school is VISWASANTHI CBSE Senior Secondary Residential School, one of the top CBSE residential school in the entire country, and then the school has ranked among the top 10 of the best CBSE residential school in the entire country for the 7 consecutive years. So that's a big milestone, I believe. I'm not sure what milestone man in Lawe. Aduga Masais da koi Manipur dagi lakpa mahiro siksu lehawi. Aduga right from 2011-12, not I'm not subject to correction, but yes, this school has already nurtured around 200 to 250 students from Manipur itself. So we are expecting a large number of students from Manipur. Matangi lakada session hai tare. The session will be starting from the June next year, but the admission process will begin from the April month. And also please remember, there will be a special arrangement for the students coming from the state of Manipur. Actually, this is a 3 installment. Total fee that peak but akoina Jodachan and Haina than Akola and Natarakanda. Kay Bibi Abran Mana Eluna Haraga. Chairman Gayaba, Director Gayaba, Yorakan, the Hariboki installments, Marie and Tagamanga Tona P with the Sukai, the Madugi, the Malta Manipur student, the special arrangement with Taugiana Takpire. This is a very good step from the school side for the students of Manipur as well.
We welcome all Manipuris
Definitely.
to Vuyyuru to pursue your education.
Yes.
From LKG to 12th class.
Yeah.
We welcome you all.
With a very holistic approach, Haizabatare.
Sir, he's our senior chief coordinator working here for
Thank you
33
so
years.
much.
For the past 33 years.
You must have a lot
And,
of experience.
he's
33
looking
years.
after the timetables, examination, everything. Overall in charge.
So you have the blessings of all those students you have taught.
And he is Mallikarjun.
Hello, sir.
He's also working here for the past 26 years.
Wow.
And assisting this short and strong man.
Okay. So definitely 50 years of existence of the school will definitely give a lot of people a lot of experience, you know. So chahi yankai leira amnina mafamje thabak tawrak mi sing chahi kun manga kontra gi experience leire haibadani. Thank you so very much
And
to
she is our vice principal, right, for the past. She's a senior
Ma'am
to me
Kumari.
here in the campus.
Oh.
And looking after the children very well with all her energy, strength, knowledge, and then wisdom.
Thank you so very much to all of you for having us. And then, of course, we are also expecting a large number of students from Manipur. Through this, video, we will also have another session tomorrow morning where we will be covering the sports activities and then yoga, everything.
So to all the Manipuris Kurumjari, come visit Viswasanthi.
Viswasanthi da laga mahima sing tambiyo dongi icha inau sing gi future sembada mateng oijege haibaduni. So you dream it, we build it. Adugi wakalonda Viswasanthi gi
Correct statement.
correct statement. We dream it. Adugi damak akoi mafam se laga coverage tawjabani Singjamei 360 miyang tabi puno pu amuk hana description da koi gi caption da haiba tare number pizare karigumba koi gi Manipuri da wari sanabi ningi hairaga su madugi special number ama we have already included number where you can talk in Manipuri. So please do call us, inquire about the school, get to know about the school, and then please do send your words to make their career bright, future bright. So we are signing out. Magsigo hindi miyang tabi puno magtagi kaino naptang nizage dubo like tobiramu, share tobiramu, comment pibiramu hari ba school si paramdong mali aur khangbining ba laiba mayam like share comment sisosod ba pibiramu hayeng mo thenga si haiba wapasi tamjaraga Singjamei 360 miyang tabi puno magtagi ngasigo hindi. Bye bye.
Jada. Under one will complete. They are ready.